Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Lovely to have you all here again. We just covered SoFi earnings, and we're going to give a reaction to that now and go straight into our trades. So let's get straight into our positions here. If it's your very first time, please click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. By giving us a thumbs up, it shares the video to more people and it helps me go live. It gets the message out to more people. So please do consider doing that. My name is Martyn Lucas. I'm the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio here behind me. And we do live music here in the evenings. I'll just give you a wave. There you go. And in the evening, we do live music and special events. And throughout the day, I like to trade and invest. We're trying to build the most honest, real, genuine YouTube channel in the world. And we've raised over $1 million for our members on our other channel, the music channel. And we're here to help people. We're here to share everything. Now, we go live on up to 20 platforms a day. We're on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. We're live on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, many websites, groups, and of course our home is here on YouTube. This is where we do our giveaways, and this is where we are here to help people. Right, let's get straight into our positions. We'll bring everyone's comments on the screen. And welcome to everybody. Got a massive crowd today on TikTok. If you want to come into YouTube, I suggest that. That way you can be in our free cash prize draw. We do it every single day. If we get 100 likes during the video, we give a cash prize away. So let's go over to our live positions and let's have a look. Here is my live position right now. As you can see, starting to recover a bit. We had a sell-off of Tesla, then it popped up again, and a few moments ago we were giving some back. So let's have a look at where it's going now. But it has been given a little bit back. Anyway, let's go into our positions. You can see where we are now, and I'll show you my overall position. I have been able to add another $500 to my position as well, and I'll share with you exactly. Here we go. So my overall position now is 4,353. Sorry, 40,353. It was 600 this morning, but we've given up a bit this morning. But there you go. I have an extra $500 in my buying power in my Roth IRA. I'm nearly maxed out now. On target to max that out. Only started it a sort of couple of months ago, so I'm very happy with that. All right. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's bring all the comments on the screen. Lots of people asking questions about Lucid. Hey, we are back. Kong and Kid. Yeah, good morning all, Malk. How are you? Morning, Geezer. Paul Stone. Welcome, Paul Stone. Brickmark, did you get to required time total on music channel? No, I've got 2 days left to go. We're now at 3,800 minutes. 200 hours to go. So we're nearly there. Hopefully we'll be there today, tomorrow. But anyway, Fed Chi is new here. Welcome to Fed Chi. Welcome to you. My name is Martyn Lucas. Lovely to have you here on the show. I was actually voted as the World Piano Man. This is my TV studio behind me. Fed Chi, how are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. Welcome. Fed Chi has just subscribed. Awesome stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Where are you from? Please put your city and country in the chat, and all my team will welcome you in as well. Lovely to have you here. All right. You wasn't one of the ladies I met, was you, in Lombard Cucina the other evening, were you? Because I met 3 ladies who said they would call in on Monday morning. You might be one of those. I don't know. But anyway, let me know if you are. Adoan, how are you? Welcome to you, Azay, from Turkey, if I remember correctly. Anyway, let's go for our position. Thank you. Hoping everyone will have a great trading week. I am in Virginia, US. Well, welcome to you. Lovely to have you here, Fed. We go live 10 hours a day. As the World Piano Man, sometimes I do music in the evenings as well. And we just released a few singles last week. I was singing with the Ukraine Army. I did a video with Sir Paul McCartney and other things. If you want to check out my music channel, you can. It's below the main channel here on Martyn Lucas Investor. And if you become a member to our channel, you'll notice that nearly every single person is a member, with the highest engagement rate of any YouTube channel in the world for live viewers who are actual members. 95% are, because what we do here is we have a special program designed to help people. It's not about me, it's about you. It's why I go live 10 hours a day. I have a small position in Tesla. I did have a large position in Tesla. I sold it and I'm waiting to buy it back in on my Roth IRA. I've just put another $500 into my portfolio this morning. This portfolio, by the way, started at 10% now so far. 10%. This portfolio started at $5,000 live on the show a year and a half ago, and you can see where it is today. But if I add, this is all my money in all the world, okay? I don't have any money anywhere else other than $1,500 in my checking account, $1,500 in my savings account. I have no loans, I have no mortgage. I live in this studio. This is my full-time job, and that's what this show's about. Share my journey. Okay. Virgin Galactic, we're looking to buy some more. I'm going to Virgin Galactic Space Station late this year. Virgin Orbit, we're looking to buy some more. Rivian going down. Tesla, it popped up, now going sideways. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Fed. If you become a member, you'll get 20 times back what you put in, including up to a 20-minute fundraiser, live concerts. I'll celebrate your birthday during a live show for you or a family member the day before, the day of, the day after. Many, many perks. We are here to support people. We've had very, very sad live occasions happen on this show. We've got very happy occasions happen on this show. Lucid sold off again after that big rumor last week. We're looking to buy some more. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola. No opportunities for me at the moment to buy cheap. All right. All we're looking to do is buy great companies at all-time low prices. That is what we're looking to do. We don't overpay. We don't have FOMO. We don't get too excited. Bitcoin, still believe that Bitcoin is going to drop in the next coming weeks. Everyone's getting FOMO'd in. All the YouTubers telling everybody you're all going to be gazillionaires in 5 minutes. Absolute rubbish. The only reality is it sells them more videos. It makes them money. We do the very opposite. Here, I buy with my real money live on the screen, and I share with you what I really think, what I'm really doing as I do it. So there's no pumping and dumping here. Now, SoFi, they're up today, over 10%. It's a great company. However, they made some kind of wild projections. They based their projections on interest rates coming down this year. There's not a hope in hell that's going to happen. That's hopery. Good way to pump the stock. We see that happen a lot. So, of course, we've got a lot of people buying this because this is very much in the space of crypto. They have a crypto exposure. So very young retail investors on Robinhood particularly are buying this stock like crazy. It's a bit like Tesla, and I'll be there to catch it. It's too expensive now. Tesla, great company, yes. I also want to buy it when it comes back down again. It's getting too expensive again. Lucid, I think Lucid can explode. I took 140% profit from it last week. Now, people said to me, why on earth did you sell Lucid? I made 140%. I made what I could make in 10 years on the S&P 500. If you didn't sell it last week, you are absolutely barking mad. Why do you invest? To make money. If a stock goes up 140% and you don't sell it, I don't care how cheap it is, you are absolutely barking mad. Because that is more than you can make in 10 years on the S&P 500. You can buy it back in at another point. And if you don't buy it back in, let it go. So what? It doesn't matter. Are you married to the stock? Are you dating the CEO? What is wrong with you? You're there to make money, right? So, I made 140%. So I'm out of it right now, as you can see. It was a rumor. Buy the rumor, sell the news. You all know how that works. Can't believe none of the analysts pull them up on it and ask what happens if interest rates remain at 5%. I know. I couldn't believe they got away with that either. Got my tea mug ordered. Martyn will enjoy my cup even more. You ordered a mug. Did you order a mug, Paul Stone? Did you get one of these? Black or white one? Or did you get one of the special edition crystal ball ones? What did you get, Paul? Very nice indeed. A white one, very good. I've got a white one too. There you go. Excellent. Don't forget, send a picture in when you get it, right? I'll put on the show. Now, would everybody please welcome our guest in today? We do actually have a guest in the show, so I want to... the lady who was here earlier, a few moments ago, Fed Chi. Fed Chi, would you please come on the screen a moment and let us know where you're all from? I want to welcome you all in. Let me just get rid of some of these channels I've got open here right now. I'm going to get rid of get rid of a few of these. These were the earnings earlier. Let me get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. And get rid of that one. There we go. Thank you, guys. There you go. Would everybody please put their cities and countries in? Fed Chi. I mentioned to you earlier that I'm the World Piano Man. This is my music channel, and you might want to go and check it out. I do 14 voices in 7 different languages and 650 songs. This is me. And I've done it again. I've done it again. Oh, there we go. All right, so here is my music channel. It's on the homepage of the YouTube channel. And this is the song I did a couple of days ago with Sir Paul McCartney. This was for Ukraine, the soldiers of Ukraine. This one here, I was actually doing it with Paul McCartney. I don't know if I'll show you just very quickly. There you go. Do you want to have a quick listen in? Should I have a quick, let you hear like 10 seconds of it? Why not? 10 seconds. 10 seconds, here we go. When I find myself in time of trouble. There you go. That's all I can do for copyright reasons. I don't want to get my own music channel copyrighted. All right. Okay. Welcome, welcome. There we go, Queen. Another lady in the channel today, Fed Chi. And it's lovely to have you here. Fed Chi, are you a YouTuber? If you are, I have a special gift for you. Are you a YouTuber? I'd like to grow your YouTube channel. One thing I do is help people grow their channels. If you are, and let me know. An English lad living in Las Vegas. Paul Stone, awesome. I actually played. I'm a small YouTube channel. Do you want to grow, Fed Chi? Do you want to grow? Do you want me to help you? Ask any of my... In fact, with all my members... Every single person here has a badge. 95% of our live viewers are members. Fed Chi, would you like to... Would all my members tell Fed Chi why she should become a member of my YouTube channel right now? Why she should become a member? And don't tell her what I'm going to do, but tell her that she needs... tell her why she should become a member. But don't tell her what I'm going to do, right? If she does. Anyway, I've got some very, very important information. First of all, we are... Wow, this is incredible. I'm just about to give a cash prize away. I've just realised we have 41 watching, 14 likes. So are you ready? We've got 30 seconds till the bell goes, right? If we get 100 likes on the show, during the show, I'm going to give away a cash prize. Right, you ready, guys? Smash the like button. We've got 40 seconds before the bell goes. Everyone smash the like button. There's 41 watching, 16 likes. If we get 100 likes during the show, I'll give a cash prize away. 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23. We're halfway there now. Here we go. The bell's gone. The bell has gone, and we're looking to make some money this morning. Here's our portfolio. Let's have a quick look. And we just jumped up and down there for a second. You get that money. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. The S&P, of course, Fed on Wednesday. We are looking for a dramatic day on Wednesday. So keep your powder dry for Wednesday. That's exactly what I'm doing. Right, here we go. We're looking Virgin Galactic going down. We've got Virgin Orbit on the way up. We've got Rivian. We've got Tesla. Let's have a look at what Tesla's doing today. I'm waiting to buy some more in my Roth IRA. It's going up again. We'll sell off. Elon Musk is on the trigger to sell it. Lucid, we've already made 140% profit. As you can see, it's down to 107 now. Don't buy it yet. Look at Lucid fall. Yes, it was just a rumor. There was no evidence at all. Classic. Buy the rumor, sell the news. I did exactly that. Took 140% from it. basically 10 years of the S&P. Isn't there bigger mugs in your store, Martyn? No, there isn't. And I'm asking Spring, my supplier, to provide bigger mugs. All right. Okay, Lucid, it's going back down. Apple, we're looking for bargains. Amazon, where can we find? McDonald's, okay. Coca-Cola, going up. J&J. I'm fully invested, but I'm looking for bargains. I bet Mo is chuffed. Yes, I bet he is. He made $100,000. He made $100,000 live on the show. Yep, $100,000 he made on the show. He told me. And he said, thank you very much for the tip. 100 grand he made. Tesla's going to 190 this week. Yes, and as soon as it does, Elon Musk is bound to sell it. He's lied 3 times about saying he won't sell his stock. So I've got unfortunately, I used to be a fan of Elon Musk, but I don't believe a word he says, unfortunately. Great inventor, great guy, great company, all of that. But he will manipulate the stock and doesn't care. All right, so I can't be having any of that. Rio Tinto, we're waiting for a deal. Okay, we've now got 42 watching, 29 likes. Smash the like button. We're going to give away a cash prize if we get 100 likes. Now, Wednesday, it's Fed Jerome Powell. Be very, very careful. Right, very, very careful. Okay, let's go into it right now. Look, we're going to cover this on Wednesday. Look, we've got McDonald's earnings tomorrow. Pre-market. McDonald's earnings, very, very important. Want to get some more McDonald's. And here it is on Wednesday, 12:30. I'll be early for this. This is what's going to shape the whole rest of the year. Does Jerome Powell pivot? There's not a hope in hell, but people are banking on it now. And there you go. I'm fully invested, but I have money to deploy along the journey as well. Okay, let's look at my overall position now. Let's have a quick look at where we are, and let's have a look at what we can do this morning. Right, we are now all from $5,000, $35,900. Overall, my overall portfolio now is $40,331. Down $300 this morning. I put $500 in to my Roth IRA. I've got some money here to buy. Look, $534 to buy, and I'm looking to buy some VU, and I expect to get it on Wednesday, the S&P 500. Also Tesla, I'd like to add to that as well. Tesla going to be $190 this week, says Fed Chi from Virginia. Wonderful to have you here. Ryanair going down, worth watching, says George Semaine. Isn't wow, look at Lucid Fall, says John McElwain. Stephen Rowe, get great value for money. Go guys, get that money. Good community. Ryan Carlson, great family here, great YouTube channel. Thank you guys. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world. Yes, we do. Of live viewers who are paid members. 95%, in fact, the highest on YouTube. Very, very excited about that. Okay, let's get ready. Now we're seeing a sell-off. Where are we going to find the discounts today? Wednesday, of course, Jerome Powell. That's the big day. Virgin Galactic, we want to buy it all the way down to $3. Virgin, we got interest rates. Rivian, there he goes. There we go. Tesla. All the Tesla fanboys said to me, why have you sold off? You're an idiot. I said, really? I'm not joining a fan club. I just want to make some money. Just want to make some money. Not interested in giving Elon Musk my money again, because he will dump it. We know he will. He's done it 3 times already. Okay, Lucid, 140% taken from this stock. It was a rumor. That's all. It's now down to 91% up, which is great. But I'm not buying it there. I'm waiting for it to go back all the way down to where it was, and I'll do it again. Here we go. We want to get it for around about $9. In fact, lower than that. I want to give it about $6, if I'm completely honest. Anyway, what do you think about Tilray? Tilray is a good company. In the future, when the bill gets passed, it'll be $40 a stock. That's why I've got some. I've made profits. I'm holding it, and so on and so forth. Anyway, let's have a look. Virgin Galactic going down. Right, I've got some buy orders in place. Rivian going down. Tesla going down. Surprise, surprise. So surprised by this. Tesla's a great company, but Elon Musk has been proven to be a liar 3 times. But the fanboys Don't care about that. They don't care. They just see it. They just see, I don't know, nonsense. If you look at the value of the company, it's like buying a can of Coke for $20. All right, that's what you're doing. You're buying a can of Coke for $20. 54 times earnings. Absolutely insane. It doesn't make any sense. We all love Tesla. Great company. 54 times earnings. Think about that. Think about that. Would you pay $100 for a can of Coke? No. Of course you wouldn't. But people do for Tesla. I know. I've done it. I've made the mistake. I'm not making that mistake again. Okay. Now then, if we get 100 likes on the video, I'm going to give away a cash prize live in the show. Virgin Orbit, I'll talk about Virgin Orbit in a second. I went to the Virgin Orbit space station. I spoke to the people there. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on the Virgin Experiences. I was in the Virgin Orbit space station a few months ago. I'll tell you all about that. Right, here we go. We've got 44 watching, 30 likes. Let's put a minute on the clock. If we get 100 likes, I'm going to give away a cash prize during the show. You ready? Smash the like button. Here's 1 minute. Let's go. You ready? Let's bring in Mr. Mini-Me. 30 likes. There are 43 watching. 30 likes. Let's get to 40 likes in 1 minute. And then we'll be 40% of the way there. 45 seconds to go. And the moment I mention fanboys of Tesla, I get unlikes every single time. They do not like the publicity of me saying that Tesla fanboys. They don't like it. I see it every day, and I don't care. I'm not going to say stuff to make you watch my video or make you like the video. I'm just going to tell you the truth. If you don't like it, go somewhere else. That will tell you anything that you want to hear. Not interested in hyping or promoting stock. We're here to make some money. That's all. All right, smash the like button. 32, 33, the most honest, real YouTube channel on YouTube. We're here to help people. 32. Hang on, then we're back. What happened there? What a bit of a chaos there, never mind. Anyway, Tesla's going back down again. Tesla's going back down again. Great company. We want to buy it when it gets cheaper. It's going to be bought straight into my Roth IRA with a 1% match from Robinhood. Right, what do I think? Do you like Richard Branson? Yes, I do. I've worked for him at Virgin Experiences. He will make Virgin Galactic successful. I know that 100%. Virgin Orbit, what is the buying price for Virgin Orbit? FedChi, I have to focus on my members. If you become a member, I answer everyone's questions, review everyone's stocks. Try and consider becoming a member, and I will be able to focus on you. All right, I have to focus on my members. We have members-only chats, members-only videos, and many, many more things. But how about Virgin Orbit? It's very, very high risk. The people who work at Virgin Orbit don't believe in the stock price. Believe in the company, don't believe in the stock price. Right, the S&P is returning. Virgin Galactic's going down. We want to get some more. There we go. Got 30% to go. Virgin Orbit's going up. Rivian's going down. The EV sector's going down. Tesla, yes, down she goes. 50%. It can go all the way back down to 100. Why? Because that's the price that Elon Musk will drive it to when he sells it. He could do it at any minute. He owns 13% of Tesla, and he's going to do it. All right, so be very, very careful. Lucid, we had 140% profit on it. It's gone down to 93% up. Still too expensive. It was just a rumor. Okay, I will do. Awesome stuff. Thank you very much indeed. The moment you do that, Fed, I've got a surprise for you then for your YouTube channel. I promise you, the moment you become a member, I've got a massive surprise for you for your YouTube channel. You're going to love me. You're going to tell me it's the best thing that's ever happened to your YouTube channel. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do, but I promise you, it'll be the best investment you've ever made. All right, all my YouTubers who are all members will tell you exactly the same thing. They know what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to tell you. You have to do it out of faith because you just think, this feels right. That's all. Some things in life are what they seem. They are real. They are genuine. And this is what this channel is about. Right, Coca-Cola, J&J. Everything's doing nicely now. All my quality stocks, all of my granddad stocks, I like to call them, safe havens, they are doing well. Now, Tesla is down 2% right now. It's not cheap enough, though. I would be, even though it's going to pop up to 190, it's going to go down before it does because we've got Elon Musk about to sell it. We know that's going to happen. I've made the mistake. I've gone to $1,200 before. We've all done it. We've all got sucked in. I'm not going to do it again. All right, let's go to a quick commercial break, and I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. I did it in the wrong place. I was supposed to do it there. If you are a YouTube member, a sponsor member, reach over 500,000 across all my platforms, you can be in this space right now as a YouTube member, sponsor level. And there you go. When you've got no one in that space this morning. Hey, Fed is part of Fed is part of the family now. Jose, she's not. Fed, she has not become a member yet. When she does, she'll get the fireworks, the welcome. She'll get all the gifts I give her. She hasn't yet become a member yet. Hopefully she will. But anyway, I got some very exciting news. We are 4 people away from having a public server where we'll be discoverable, and our Discord server. Discord is free, remember? There's Discord if you want to talk to me 24/7, talk to all our traders and investors. There's Discord. Click on that, and I will open up the broadcast lounge right now and share with you. Is everybody here? Is all the family here? I've got some very, very sad news to share with the family. Ladies and gentlemen, all the members, all the Lucas aides, Fugly Mofo, one of our members of the family, here he is, Fugly Mofo, is in hospital. He is watching right now. He cannot speak. He probably can't hear, but he's been in a serious car accident and he's not very well at all. I would like everyone, please, to comment. Get well soon, Fugly. I want the chat to go viral. He's watching it. There are people, nurses and his family holding up the phone, holding up the iPad, the computer. Please do this now for Fugly Mofo. Go into the live chat. Say get well. He's a member of our family. I want the chat to go viral. Copy and paste. Get well, Fugly. Have it blowing up. One of our family here is in hospital. He was in a serious car accident, and I'm afraid he's got a lot worse. Okay, he can't talk, he can't listen, but he can see, and his family will be sharing this video. So Fugly Mofo, all the family here, all around the world, we send you our very best wishes. Thank you for sharing me the picture. Thank you for sharing with me what's going on in your personal life. And we're all family here. It's what we do. And we send all our love to you. And we hope you get well soon. And you rejoin us here on the show. We miss your company. There you go. Let me bring some of the comments now in the chat. We've got Flutter Edits, says get well soon. We've got Speedy Recovery from Malk in the UK. We got Flutter Edits, hope you get better soon. Stephen Rowe, Speedy Recovery, Fuggy. There you go. Get well soon, brother, says William Parkinson. Saul says hope he gets better soon. Oze from Turkey said God bless him, wishing all the best, and we'll pray for him. Crag, get well soon, said Fugly. Rayman Khan, thank you, God bless you. I love all these messages coming in from around the world. Thank you very much indeed. Brickmark, don't be left out, guys. We want Fugly to hear from every family member here today. There we go. Get well soon, Fugly. Brickmark, thank you very much. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. Get well soon. Speedy recovery. We've got Mark Corn here from England, one of our original members. He's got his bright yellow badge, be turning gold soon, I would imagine. So Mark Corn, get well, Fugly. Kong and Kid just said as well, get well from Puerto Rico. The people of Puerto Rico took me in when I was in Hurricane Irma. Can't thank the people of Puerto Rico enough. They gave me clothes and shoes to wear when I lost everything in Hurricane Irma. Get well soon, buddy, says Shadstream. Very nice indeed. Get well soon, said Stephen Lewandowski, and Mark Corn again. Get well, Fugly. Thank you for all the messages, everybody. Very, very nice indeed. I'm sure that has made him smile. He's watching this right now, and Fugly, we're all thinking of you. I told you we would do it, and there we go. That's for you, my friend. All right, let's get straight now back into the show. Tesla's now rising again. We had a little drop this morning. It wasn't enough for me, I'm afraid. The S&P's going up. Wednesday is the big day. I wonder if our lady is still here. What was her name? Fed Chi. Is Fed Chi still in the chat? Let me have a look. Fed. I believe she is. She's still here. There we go. She's still in the chat. Just wanted to make sure she was still here. Right, we're just 5 away now from our 500 in our server. And we'll be a public server. And we'll have even more people to share even more great news with. So we'll be searchable. Just 5, sorry, I beg your pardon, 7 away. We're at 493. Apologise for that. I was out by 2. Jose Martinez says hi. Welcome to Jose. How are you this morning? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right. Virgin Galactic. We had a bit of a sell-off this morning. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. Tesla's going back up again. Just bought Next Era Energy with profit that I made from Lucid. Very, very good idea. That's exactly what I did. Exactly what I did. There's my end phase. There's my Next Era Energy. And it's turned positive already. There's my position. It pays a very good dividend. You did the right thing, in my opinion. That's what I did with my money. Lucid was up 140%. If you didn't sell that, I want to point this out again. I got a lot of flack for selling Lucid. Some people do not understand the principles of investing at all. Why do you invest? To make money for your future. That's it. Is it because you join a fan club or you're dating the CEO or you're Elon Musk's best mate? No. At least it shouldn't be. And if it is, are you mad? What are you doing? You're there to make money. No, I don't care if Lucid has the best car in the universe and you think it's the greatest company in the universe. If it goes 140% up, which is what you'll make in 10 years on the S&P, probably more than, if you don't sell that, you are stark barking mad. If you never get in it again, it doesn't matter. And I say this, in 5 years from now, let's imagine that Lucid becomes the greatest EV company in the world and shares are at $100. It could happen. Imagine they're at $100. People will buy in at $100. They had to if it was valued at 100. They are obviously buying at $100. So if it goes from 100 to 200, you'll be up 100%. It's not about the price, it's about the percentages. So I bought it at 5 and sold it at nearly 20. I was up 140%. So that's like going to from 100 to 250. Well, it'll do that. It might never do that in its lifetime. So if you get 140% and it's $1 and it goes from 1 to 2, who the hell cares? If you can make what you can make in 10 years on the S&P, the most reliable asset you can own, why on earth would you not sell it? And if you can't get back in again, who the heck cares? Who the heck cares? But don't get feared in and don't have FOMO and think I have to own everything and I have to buy Tesla because everybody on YouTube says I have to, and I have to buy Bitcoin because everybody on YouTube says so. The people that tell you so are the people that want you to watch their videos so they make money, and it's very exciting and everyone buys in. All right, I've got a request here to look at Rolls-Royce, so I'm going to do that right now for one of our members. I think it's Stephen Rowe, Rolls-Royce. You want me to look at Rolls-Royce? Okay, let me have a look at it for you. Here we go. I used to own Rolls-Royce, and I sold it. I sold it around about the dollar. Actually, I was not prepared to wait anymore. It's good. I like it. Great companies, never going to go bust. The British government will make sure of that. However, it's parking your money for a very, very long time. I can make a lot of money waiting for this stock to go up. So for me, it's not a buy. It takes too long, and it's one of those stocks that could explode. I get it on good news. However, I can make money more securely elsewhere. Flight Channel, LOL. What's so funny, Flight Channel? Don't just say LOL. What is your comment? And I will answer your point. Going up, it was 73 pence before. Watch it this year. Hey, you never know. You never know. Good luck to you. I know where I want my money. I know exactly where I want my money. I know exactly what I want to do with it. I know exactly what my goals are. I'll be at 200,000 by the end of next year, 100,000 by the end of this year. I am done. That's all I need. I have no loans, car loans, mortgage, none of that. I know what my objectives are. So LOL says just LOL, didn't say why. Anyway, Lucy's still going down. Up 140. I took 140% from it. One of our members here made $100,000 on the show. I said to sell it. He sold it. He made $100,000. If he'd sold it when I said to sell it, Mohammed Kahine, he would have made $200,000. Nearly $250,000. Unfortunately, he kept waiting for it to go up and up and up, and then it went down. I told him it was a rumor, sell it. He would have had 200 grand, but he got 100, and he was upset. He was upset he lost out of 100 grand. I don't understand that. He still made $100,000. Anyway, can I compare SNDL to Tilray? Tilray is far better. It is the world leader. I wouldn't be surprised if Tilray buys SNDL, which of course would be good for the stock itself. But I prefer Tilray. For me, if I'm going to own a cannabis stock, I want to own the best, the most, the one with the most cash, the one with the most growth, the one with the most potential. That is for me Tilray. It's a $40 stock when it gets legislation passed. Elon called me to hang out, and I said no. I'm watching Martyn. Brilliant. There we go. Going up. Can you compare? We did that. Are you going to trade any today? What am I going to trade? I'm looking to buy stuff today. I'm not selling anything today. We've got the earnings coming up on Wednesday. It was an Aussie comment. Elon called me to hang out, so I said out. I said no. I'm watching Martyn. That was that's what made you laugh. I see. That's what made you laugh. Absolutely. Flight Channel, great to have you here. If you're a YouTuber, German Gaming also, Flight Channel and Gaming, if you are YouTubers and you want to promote your channel, become a member of our channel, and I have a very, very nice gift for you. It's something I do for all members when they become members on special days when I mention it, like today. So there you go. If you become a member of my channel, I've got a big surprise for you. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world when it comes to live viewers who are members. Why? Because I go to work for you, help you grow on YouTube, TikTok. Anyone over on TikTok today? I've got 31,000 followers. Who wants me to make a commercial for them to promote their channel and get them exposed on my channel to gain more followers? And also, if you become a top gifter, I will follow you back as well. All right, let's have a quick look at our battle on TikTok this morning. Here's our TikTok battle going on. Our top gifter, if you become a top gifter on TikTok this morning, if you do that, I will follow you back. I only ever follow my members, subscribers, and my top gifters. I don't follow for follow. I don't message you. I don't sell you anything. But what I do is give cash prizes away every single day on my show if we hit 100 likes. Are you still holding Rivian? Yes, I am holding Rivian. And I might buy a little bit more. Okay, let's do it, says German Gaming. Let's do what? What do you want to do? Jose, was for me, Martyn. Credit to me. It's my show. It's your show. Probably your show, yeah. Anyway, okay, Rivian. We're looking to buy Tesla when it goes back down. A lot of fanboys here now think it's going to go all the way back to $1,200. Old school, which is $400. Absolutely crazy. That's not investing. That's hopery based upon YouTubers who are telling you to buy it, like BitBoy now and Cryptos Are Us. They're all telling you it's going up and up and up and up and up. It sells them videos. It makes you watch. It's not the reality though. We don't do that on our show. In fact, we do have a crypto project on our show. We got a crypto challenge right now, 1,000 to 10,000 challenge we do on our show. Okay, If you want to know about that, ask me. I'll tell you all about it. It will take years to get back to those highs if it ever does. 22, I agree, but the Tesla fanboys think it's going to happen tomorrow. Wait till Wednesday when Fed Jerome Powell says the interest rates are going up another 0.25%. Watch what happens then. We all know what's going to happen, but people don't like to hear it. And every time I say about it, and I say that Elon Musk is going to sell his shares the moment it goes up above 190, people downlike the video. They go, I don't like this. It's not what I want to hear. Well, go on, watch another channel. That'll tell you anything you want to hear. It's not what we do. Reman Khan, I am still new to stocks and bought a penny stock, TCRT, and now regretting. What do you think about TCRT? I know nothing about it. I'm not a fan of penny stocks. They're a penny stock for a reason. Wouldn't you rather own one share of Amazon than a million shares of Binky Bonk Dinky Donk, or whatever you want to call it? Wouldn't you? And don't forget, you can fractional share. You can buy $1 of Amazon. Just saying, you don't actually have to own a whole share of Amazon and go, well, I can't afford a share of Amazon. That's why I buy penny stocks. You can fractional share. You can buy $1 of Tesla, $1 of Microsoft, Google, Apple, so on and so forth. You don't have to buy a whole share, right? Wouldn't you rather own that? But anyway, we have a lot of fun with our penny stocks. It's entertainment purposes only. And, you can make money. But right now, we're in a bear market. We're in a bear market rally at the moment. That's what's going on right now. Tesla down 0.81 today. Lucid, such a surprise, isn't it? Apple, Amazon, McDonald's. There's no bargains for me at all. I'm already in Coca-Cola. I've got 16 shares of Coke. It's 25% of my portfolio on my Roth IRA. Why is it at 25%? Because my Roth IRA is my pension. I need a secure asset that's going to pay me a dividend that's going to 100% be up in 10 years' time. 100%. Double in 10 years, if not triple. And pay me a dividend. Obviously, I own 25%. If I go to my main brokerage account, it pays, it's 1.75 of my portfolio. I have 10 shares of it there. Very, very nice indeed. Shall we have a look at my overall portfolio now and see where I am? Looking good, getting ready for Wednesday. Here we go. Here's my main position now. And after the Fed meetings, the stock market will be going down. If the Fed say they are still raising rates for the rest of the year, of course they're going to raise rates for the rest of the year. There's no doubt about it. 1,000%. I will tell you right now, and you can quote me, the Fed will be raising interest rates on Wednesday. And any YouTuber who tells you the interest rates are coming down on Wednesday is doing it to get you to watch the videos, to make them money. And if you get suckered into it, I'm sorry, I can't tell you not to watch those channels. There's 100%. The interest rates are going up on Wednesday. 100%. 100%. Anyway. No doubt about it. My entire value now is $40,431, up from $5,000. 0.25 this month. Next month, then hold to see. I agree 100% with 22. What he's saying, it's going up 0.25%. So, and remember, a pivot is when they lower the rate of it going up. Still going up. A U-turn is when they start bringing down rates. That will not be happening for at least a year. So there is no U-turn coming for the Fed. There could be a pivot, and 0.25 is slowing down the rate hikes, but it's still going up. So getting more and more expensive all the time. Inflation is still above what it needs to be, a long way. Inflation is peaked. It's coming down. The rate is coming down, that it goes up. And very important, when we say the rates are coming down, inflation is coming down. Inflation is still going up, but the rate it's going up is coming down. It's slowing down, so it's peaked. So very difference between saying the rate hikes, the pace of it increasing is coming down. People get confused and go, inflation's coming down, everything's getting cheaper. No, it's not. Not at all. And that's why my defensive stocks are up, by the way. The smart money is going into J&J and Coca-Cola this morning because they know the institutions, the big money, the granddad money, the old school know that rates are going up. So they're buying in to J&J, Coca-Cola, because this is going to go up on Wednesday and you're going to see Tesla and already going down. You're going to see Tesla go down, Virgin Galactic go down, and that's great. Buy when everyone's selling, sell when everyone's buying. Don't buy now because everyone's buying and you think, oh, I can go up to $1 million. Wait for the bargains. Do your research before you come to the table to buy anything. Know what you want to buy and look for the best price possible. That's it. Simple. Let's have a look. Interest rate double digits years ago. So no one knows how much interest rates are going up until 2%. Absolutely. My portfolio is looking really strong now. Look at it coming up. Defensive stocks doing very well. Some even suggesting 0.5 this year. So send a clear message. Clear message. But no one's listening, are they, 22? SoFi think they will drop it in 1%. Madness. I agree. SoFi this morning were making such wild predictions to pump the stock. Remember, it's a very sexy, cool stock. It's like Bitcoin. It's for the young investor. The young retail investor is the one that on YouTube, on Google, on Robinhood is buying crypto. They're the ones who are also buying SoFi today on this pump. It will be dropped. There's no way on earth interest rates are coming down this year. Absolutely no way on earth. And because of that, SoFi is going up because everyone thinks the company have projected interest rates coming down. It's total hopiary, and all it does is inflate the stock. But if we can get it up to 20% up, we're up 47% now, people will forget, and when it goes down 10%, they'll think they're up. They'll hold it. They won't realize actually the stock could drop 30-40% when the news comes out anyway. So you do short term or long term. I do all of it. I don't label myself in any way, Jose. I'm a scalp trader, a long term investor, a swing trader. I do what's right at that moment in time. Okay, I've got my long positions, my short positions. They're all separate. Martin, what could cause a black swan event? What could cause it? Well, we shall see on Wednesday. I'm going to keep my opinions on that a little bit to myself for the minute. But I'd be very, very careful, actually. We've had a bear market rally now for, 4 weeks? My overall position is insane right now. Let's have a little look. Year to date, I'm up 9.35, 9.74. We have had a phenomenal start to the year. It will not run forever. People always think everything just runs forever. We know now from experience it doesn't. Are you going to do a show? Yes, of course. I will be there. Always. All the big events. We cover it all. Need you even ask, Jose? That's why you remember, right? Look, here's the upcoming live streams. Closing bell. That's the closing bell. We've got tomorrow morning pre-market. We've got McDonald's. There's Fed Jerome Powell on Wednesday. I'll be covering it there. You can be there. Martin, I'm really grateful that I found your channel, learning so much. Raymond Khan, you're very, very welcome. Raymond Khan, become a member. It's only a couple of bucks a month. The reason for that is if I wanted to make money out of you guys watching my videos, I would make videos and hardly go live at all. I go live 10 hours a day because I want to grow the most real, honest YouTube channel in the world. It's the members that support the live channels. I don't make money from the live shows, and I wouldn't be able to do it if it wasn't for the members. In return for your investment as a member. It's only a couple of bucks a month. What I do is I give you 20 times back what you put in. That's why everybody's a member. Ask anyone why they're a member and they will tell you why. Tesla's going up right now. It's just hovering around that zero. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Yeah, what dumb question it was, Jose. What was that? Yeah, of course, I cover everything. Brilliant. Lucid, 140% profit we took from it. Apple, Amazon, 1.6% now. McDonald's, we've got the, this is great. I want McDonald's to go all the way down. Tomorrow, this time tomorrow, it's the earnings for Amazon. Sorry, the earnings for McDonald's. And they've lowered expectations. I expect them to beat that. Why? Because in times like this, we all buy McDonald's. Why? Because it's the bottom of the market. It's cheap. And they've lowered, the analysts have lowered expectations. And we pretty much always beat expectations. And now we've lowered it in a time when more people are buying McDonald's than other fast food, than other foods, because it's cheaper. So what we're looking for now is buy the rumor, sell the news. Let's see McDonald's go all the way down, and I'll be buying it in my Roth IRA. Okay, Coca-Cola is up, J&J is up, McDonald's, Amazon is up. My overall portfolio nearly up. I've got 0.4% to go, and I'll be up 4 weeks in a row. So anyway, defensive stocks is what you need right now. High speculation, have some of it, but keep it in balance, keep it in check. Next Era Energy, awesome stuff today. I've been buying more of this when it went down. I took my profits from Tilray to do it. Enphase Energy, very nice indeed. Bitcoin is going to go down very soon. Everyone's telling you it's about to go to $1 million. It benefits them. It doesn't benefit you. SoFi still going up on the expectation of cutting back rates this year. It's not going to happen. It's to promote the stock. Wait, are you going to buy a Big Mac today or tomorrow? I am waiting to buy McDonald's as soon as it drops 5, 6, 7, 8%. If it doesn't, I won't buy it. Remember, the golden rule of investing. Find out what stock you want to own, buy quality companies, and buy them at a discount. That's it. Imagine you always buy Levi 501s. Imagine your favorite jeans, quality jeans you've always worn, you always will, never goes out of fashion, and all of a sudden you can buy a pair of Levi 501s at 80% discount. Do you buy them? Of course you do. The best way to make money and save money is buy things that are on discount. Invest in yourself. If suddenly the Sensodyne toothpaste that I use every day of my life, if they suddenly reduced it by 80%, I would buy a lifetime supply of Sensodyne toothpaste if I could store it. That's the best way for me to make money, because I've now bought what I am going to use over my lifetime 100%, and I've saved money. I've made money. I've invested in myself. That's the first thing that you do. So all you're doing to invest is you're looking for things that you want to own and make money on that will save you money in the future, that will be worth more tomorrow than they are today when they are on discount. So McDonald's is preparing for its earnings, and we hope it goes down. If it goes up, I will not be buying it. I'll be buying it when it goes down. Why? Because it already trades at 34 times earnings. Very, 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 very expensive. Insanely expensive. Here he is. We were talking about our Mohammed Kahine. Mohammed made $100,000 on our show the other day. He sold Tilray. He sold Lucid. If he'd sold it when I'd said, he would have made 200 grand. He was very upset about that, but he still made 100 grand, which was great. You heard it here first. Big Macs are going to be cheaper tomorrow. You heard it here first. Big Macs are going to be cheaper tomorrow. Come and get your Big Mac with cheese. I love it. All right, fantastic. Here we go. You heard it first. I love it. Thanks for that, Shad. Now everyone's going to go, yep, I'm going to watch tomorrow. Virgin Galactic, we had a little chance to buy some more today. It dipped. I'm keeping my powder dry. It's time for a quick commercial break. Let's bring everybody up to date. If we got 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. I pressed the wrong button. Sorry about that. I keep doing that. Click subscribe and ring the bell. Let's try it again. Smash the like button. I don't know why I keep doing that. If you smash the like, we've got 34 likes now. If we get to 100, we'll give away a cash prize during the show. Right. Quick sip of tea. Coffee, actually. All right. Wait, are you gonna be McDonald's today or tomorrow? I'm gonna buy the McDonald's. I'm gonna buy McDonald's when it goes down. If that is today or tomorrow. Remember, the earnings is tomorrow, so it could go down at any moment. German Gaming has just subscribed to our channel. Become a member. Oh, by the way, I'm going to give German Gaming just subscribed. Yay! There we go. There is my Discord channel. If you want to call into the show, be on the show, video call in or audio, you can. It's for members only. Here is Discord. I'm going to give the Discord now. We've got 7 away from becoming a public channel on Discord. We just need 7 more and we'll be a public channel on Discord. If you go into Discord right now, this is it. This is Discord right now. I will upgrade you live on the show. I'm brand new to investing. German Gaming, well, welcome. This is Discord now. If you come to the welcome all, I will upgrade you when you appear here. We now need just 7 more. No, 5 more. We're just 5 away from becoming a public channel on Discord. There you go. If you've not done it, it takes 10 minutes to get through, and I'll upgrade you live in the show. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist in Martyn Lucas von England. Ich bin Spieler, Pianola. Dankeschön. Guten Abend, guten Morgen, and guten Abend to you. It's wonderful to have you here. Thank you very much indeed for being on our channel today. Hi, Stephen. Wait, are you going to buy a Big Mac as soon as it goes to the right price? I will. In English, 9. Ich kann nicht sprechen Sie Deutsch sehr gut. Ich kann sprechen Sie English. Okay, I'll speak English then. I got to thinking, every time you say IRA, do you get paid? No, I don't get paid. I don't get paid if I say the IRA. You heard it first. Good morning, Mr. Lucas. How do I claim a prize? How do you claim a prize? There's lots of ways you claim a prize. We have many opportunities for you to win prizes. Here we go. Wow. Here we go. We just had someone come into Discord. W.A. Bloodrin. If you are a YouTube member, if you are a YouTube member, confirm that's you in Discord, in YouTube, and I will upgrade you as a member. If you've just come into Discord, if that's you in YouTube and you are a YouTube member, it's German here. Oh, I see. German Gaming. Hello, German Gaming. All right. Now, German Gaming, if you become a YouTube member, you get 20 times back what you put in. I will upgrade you on Discord. You'll be able to call into the show, see all the exclusive channels. Here is our $1,000 to $10,000 challenge. This is with Ali Tizro. You see this here. You won't see it yet. You won't see these channels yet because you are not a YouTube member. Become a YouTube member and I'll upgrade you, promote your channel and all the other good stuff. There's the invitation to join. Okay. There is German. He's done it. We've got a new member. This is German Gaming. So, it's German here. Okay, so I'm going to upgrade you now. I know that's you. You've just already confirmed yourself. So the first thing I'm going to do is give you a nickname here on the show so everyone knows who you are. German Gaming. German Gaming live on the show. There you go. German Gaming. Okay, we've now changed your name on this server so we know it's you. Okay, I'm now going to give you membership to our channel so you can call in and see the exclusive content. Member. You are now a YouTube member on our channel. Okay, now German Gaming, would everybody please come into Discord and welcome German Gaming coming in. You can now see the broadcast lounge. I'm going to open it up. You can now call in live on the show. You can now call in live on the show and do exactly this.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
You can now see Ali Tizro's tips, where you get a 15% discount to his service about the $1,000 challenge. All right, so if you want to make between $1,000 to $10,000, that's our crypto challenge. You can see all of that. You can call in just like Rob McLean.
That you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show, make yourself some money, and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
You can even call in via video, just like this, in the broadcast lounge.
I'm Kurt Wooker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on The Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at CoinGeek.com.
There you go. Tesla, as predicted, 100% being sold off. All the fanboys will be messaging me in a minute going, what's going on? They're flip-flop all over the place. Andrew Grady has given you a nice welcome. Stephen Lewandowski has given you a nice welcome. There you go. Now then, German Gaming, I want to give you all your perks and benefits now as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We go live 10 hours a day. German, you have a blue badge. It will turn green, yellow to gold. You can also now access all the members-only videos on the homepage of the YouTube channel. You couldn't see these before. Members only. You can see behind the scenes. You can see our private content. You'll be invited to our convention in New Mexico at Virgin Galactic. All members can come. You can also get a poll in the chat. If you want to ask me a question, I will do a poll. You can also ask me to review a stock. I'll review a stock. If you give me a super chat, I will even buy with that money the stock. So if you want me to promote a stock, I can. I will promote a stock for you, and I will buy it with the super chat you give me. Also, you can ask me a question, and I will reply to all your messages on YouTube. If you are a YouTuber, if you are a silver, if you ever upgrade to silver, I will put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel where you can I will feature you here and get everyone to subscribe to you. But I did say today that I would do something special for you if you became a member during the show. So just tell me, German Gaming, are you a YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber, and would you like some more subscribers? Just tell me yes or no. If you are, I've got a surprise for you. Now, also, German Gaming. On top of all of that, as I'm the World Piano Man, on your birthday, the day before, the day after, or the day of your birthday, for you or a family member, I will sing happy birthday to you live in the show, and we'll all celebrate your birthday, and you get to keep the video. It will be your video to keep. Okay, so when you have a birthday, let me know. Tesla's going back down again. Can't wait for it to go down. And we'll celebrate your birthday. Okay, awesome stuff. Now, when you just said, I've got no money, that's okay. I started with $5,000. I'm now worth nearly 36 in my brokerage account. 40,000 overall with my Roth IRA, all live on the show in front of everyone. Okay, so we all started small. There are some very big investors here. There are some small investors here of all sizes. Okay. Paul B. Is Paul B. How are you, Paul B? Lovely to have you here. Shall we hear from Paul B? Paul B called into the show.
Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Do I have any opinions on Intel? I would rather own Microsoft. I think Intel don't make any money for their shareholders. I don't see any sense in owning it. Why would you not just own Microsoft? I prefer Microsoft. How often Next Era Energy gives? How often does Next Energy give dividends? I think you mean. How often? Next Era Energy is now up 0.93. I've been buying it. We got a great dividend. Can one of my researchers please tell me when the ex-dividend date, please, is for Next, Era Energy. If you could do that for me, one of my researchers, it's probably either every 3 months or every 6 months. But there's an ex-dividend date, the date you've got to be in before they call it. How long did it take you? 1.5 years. I've been live every single day, every trading day on this show, live in front of everyone. Very, very nice indeed. Now, SoFi is up today. It's up 14% now, 49%. But they are basing their earnings, their projections on interest rates coming down, which they will not. So that's a bit of a pump and dump, if you ask me. I like the company, but they are self-promoting the stock price, which you can't blame them for. But however, it's very dishonest to say that you think that interest rates are about to come down, because no one, not one single analyst believes that at all. Not one. And 22 made a very good point today, saying, I cannot believe they got away with it on the earnings. I can't believe it. For me, it loses credibility because it's completely and utterly ridiculous. So, what can I say to that? Microsoft is now presenting myself an opportunity. It's going down. Microsoft now is doing well for me. I could buy some of this. This would be bought in my long-term investing plan, in my Roth. It's becoming attractive. It is now 27 times earnings, still on the slightly expensive side. But remember, Microsoft does pay a reasonable dividend, a 1% dividend. If we look at it over 5 years, it's had 156% growth. And we've seen it sell off this year. So, you know, it's getting attractive. It's getting close to where I might want to buy it as a long-term investment, and it's getting cheaper. I'd rather own this than Intel. Definitely. Mark Korn, I believe, just sent me a private message. Let me just check what it is. Right. Okay, can I ask the question? Mark Korn has sent me a message. Shad, is Shad in the house? This is definitely to Shad. Yes, he is. Shad, are you in the house still? Anybody here? Does anybody here have an Xbox Ultimate subscription? Does anybody here, any gamer, have an Xbox Ultimate subscription? Anybody at all? Here we go. Shad, one of my researchers. Next dividend, ex-dividend date, February 27th. Yes, I do, says Paul B. Yes, Flight Channel, yes. Okay, wonderful stuff. If you have an Xbox Ultimate subscription and you want to help this channel grow and you want our Discord to explode, you can get 3 months of Discord Nitro for free for our Discord server. So if you want to help, our channel grow, and we are now we are literally just now, let me have a look. We are now 2 away from a public channel. Look at this. You can get Nitro for 3 months for free, and it will promote our Discord server and give you extra perks and benefits. If you are an Xbox Ultimate subscriber, you can use that to promote our Discord server. So if you want to help us, how much does it pay? I don't earn any money from it, so you don't earn any money. It's called being nice. It's called being nice, Mr. Paul B. Look, you sound nice when you phoned in.
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
There you go. So there you go. Go and do a boost on our channel, and it will help our Discord. We are just 2 away now from being a public channel, and then we're going to grow very quickly. I'm very excited about it. And if everyone with Xbox Premium today turns on their Discord boost, we will really start to fly up. So we'll get promoted. Anyway, go and consider that. It costs you absolutely nothing if you're already an Xbox subscriber. Anyway, oh yeah, the Nitro subscription, yeah. So Paul B has it, Flight has it, Shad has it. There's 3 of you that could do it. No, I don't like, I use Xbox Gold as Flutter edits. Thank you so much, Shad, appreciated. How much does it pay? Quarterly is knee. Or Microsoft. Microsoft is now presenting me with an opportunity. It's not quite there, but it's getting very, very close for me to buy. Okay. S&P, Virgin Galactic, Rivian, Tesla, there she goes. All my Tesla fanboys saying it's going to keep going forever. And I said, no, it won't. But they said, no, yes, it will. I've watched it on YouTube. A guy on YouTube. I say, what is that? Is that a guy who wants you to watch his videos? Yeah. Yeah, that guy. Well, you know, I don't want you to watch my videos or my live shows for me to lie to you. People watch here because everyone can have their say. Everything is real. Everything is genuine. And we're all here to share the truth because we want to make money and we don't want to get caught holding the bag because someone on YouTube said we should buy it. That's not... There we go. McDonald's. Hey, it's going cheaper. Fantastic. Keep on going. We've got earnings tomorrow morning. Coca-Cola, there's the safe defensive stuff. Look, it's all being bought up because everyone knows the interest rates are going to go up. So now the safe money is going more and more into the defensive stocks. And once it goes in there, it doesn't tend to come out. It doesn't tend to come out. J&J, once it goes in there, it tends to stay in there. It doesn't bounce in and out like other stocks. Look, and it's got a good time to buy it right now. Look at this steady growth. That's what I'm saying. Over time, now is the time to buy J&J to add. Even though it's moving up, look, it's still low. Google's going down. I want to buy more Google. All my portfolio is dropping quickly now. Microsoft, there we go. There we go. Let's read some of these comments. Hi, Martin and chat. How much did you earn today if you want to share? How much did I earn today? I share everything. I share absolutely everything. I haven't sold anything today, so I haven't made any profits today. What do I earn? I'm a full-time YouTuber. I invest $2,000 every month into my portfolio. I do a gig every Saturday night. That pays me $550. I have no car loan, no mortgage, no credit cards. What else did you want me to tell you? This is my full balance here on Robinhood. I've got $1,500 in the bank account, $1,500 in my savings account, so $3,000. The reason why I have $1,500 in each is so I don't pay any fees. My overall balance is $35 in my brokerage account and in my Roth IRA together, so I have $40,000. The only other money I have in the world is my ledger for my Bitcoin. There it is. It's down today. We know that Bitcoin's about to crash. We know that. And I have my $1,000 to $10,000 crypto challenge from Ali Tizro. We've got $1,000 waiting to be deployed on crypto. That's all the money I have in the world. Shared for you on the screen. Started at $5,000 here live on the show. And you can see we're down right now, but we're up on the year to date. 9.06 up on the year, and we're about to get a pullback because we are 2 days away from the from Fed Jerome Powell. Gonna have to do some digging as it's coming up with a cost, and it shouldn't, as my Discord is linked with my Xbox, but I'll sort it. Thank you, Paul B. Yes, it should be free. Tip were good on your piano. Tip, we're good on your piano. What does that mean, Stephen? I don't get it. Tip, we're good on your piano. I have no idea what that means, Stephen. I don't know what that means. Anyway. Tips were good. Oh yeah. No, not this Saturday. No. It's rubbish. This Saturday was rubbish. Oh, you're looking at the Friday gig. Did you all see that? Ah, yes. Did you all see this? Very, very special moment. Yes. That was the night before. On Friday. Did you all see this? Did you all see this? Did you all see this? You ready?
This is going from America now. Right, everybody cheer and wave.
Did you all see this? This was me on a Friday night sellout theatre show. And then everybody gave me $633 in cash. Do it again, everybody! Everybody wave!
Isn't he fantastic?
It's my theatre show on Saturday night. Did everyone see that? Did everyone see that? So basically, what happened there on Saturday night, I was doing a theatre show. It was a sellout show. And the people wanted to support. Every year I do a charity. Last year, we did Bill. Do you remember? We raised $1,500 for Bill last year. If you are a member of my channel, I help support you. We do fundraisers and charities, whatever. And we raised $1,500 for Bill. Do you remember that? We did that on last year to buy him an electric scooter. Well, this year, I wasn't doing a fundraiser for a charity. But they all came with money to give to me. They do it every year. They want to give me money. So I said, I've been doing these videos for our friends in Ukraine. Do you remember when you guys all sponsored and we did the YouTube ads and they went, we'd like to do something. So I said, okay. And they asked me to sing Bring Him Home from Les Miserables. And they said, make a video on it from us and we will support the video and we will donate for you to promote it to our friends in Ukraine to say it's from us. So they all gave me money. It was $633 to support making a video and promote it on YouTube. And exactly what I'm going to do this week. So there you go. I might even record it today, actually. I asked you all to watch the playlist for Ukraine in the newsletter to warm up the algorithm. Tesla's going down as I said it would. So I hope you've all been doing it for me. That's what that was all about. You said you know Bitcoin's about to crash. Stop waffling. You don't know nothing. Kevin Connolly, yes, I do. 100% that Bitcoin is going down. I'm not waffling. You obviously are a fanboy. You don't want me to say it's going down. Well, the reality is you've come to the most honest YouTube channel on YouTube. It's why we have the highest engagement rate of any channel in the world of live viewers who are members. More than Mr. Beast, way more than BitBoy, way more than Cryptos Are Us. 95% of our live viewers are members because we always tell the truth. We're not here to sell videos, to get you to watch, to tell you what you want to hear because you want to get rich quick scheme. We are here to make money. My portfolio is up from $5,000 to $35,000 live on the show based upon the truth. We're not here to tell you what you want to hear, and if you don't like it, just make up stuff. The fact of the matter is, Bitcoin and crypto is going down. We have a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge, and we are waiting to buy crypto, and we are waiting. It's about patience. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index for January 8.4 versus 20 last month, 22. Down 8.4. Are you sure Bill didn't buy another drone? No idea what he repaired his scooter. Did you buy Tesla? I made money from Tesla, waiting for it to go back down because Elon Musk is about to sell it. We know that for a fact, so it will go back down again. If you were 100% certain Bitcoin was going down, you could short. No, Kevin, because I don't believe in shorting. I don't do shorts. I don't need to do shorts. I never short a stock. I like people who do, though, because shorters always win the battles, but I always win the war. I love when people short, but I never do. I'm always optimistic, always positive. I've got no time for negativity or shorting anything. I never do that at all. Right now, I'm become a millionaire. I've got all the money I need in the world, Kevin. I don't need to short a stock. I don't need to put any negativity out there in the world, and I don't need to make $1 million from Bitcoin. There are many, many better ways to make money. Why are you not doing this? Because you are unsure. Give it a rest. Kevin Connolly, this is my show. If you don't like it, don't watch. But I'm telling the truth. That's why my members are members. They know I always tell the truth. If you don't like it, because I'm not promoting something that you've bought, very sorry, go and watch BitBoy. He would love you to watch him because he'll tell you anything you want to hear. That's not what we do. If Bitcoin don't go down soon, it will be half by next year anyway. So either way, it's going down. There you go, Paul B. But obviously, Kevin Connolly believes 100% it's going up. And, you can't lose money, apparently. It just keeps going forever. Even though Bitcoin doesn't earn any money, doesn't do anything at all, he believes it's going up just because he says so, just because YouTubers say so. Well, I don't believe that for a second. I'm here to make money, not to join a fan club. Any expert out there who says it will go down or up will eventually get it right. I'm not an expert in anything. I get it wrong all the time. Don't claim to be an expert, but I know it's going down because as the world piano man, I toured 195 countries. I toured as the world piano man when I was given the title by Sir Elton John, and I learned about people, and I learned about greed, and I am 100% certain, looking at people, reading all the information that I read, there's no question about it, the Ponzi scheme will collapse, and when it does, it will go back down. And right now, you've got people that were telling you it was going down, who are now telling you it's going up, just because they want you to watch their videos. If it wasn't for YouTube, folks, if it wasn't for YouTubers, crypto wouldn't be anywhere near what it is today because people are influenced by what they see and what they hear. But it's not what we do here. Anyway, Kevin, why wouldn't you short? I don't believe in shorting stocks. I think shorting is very negative. It's pointless. It goes against the grain. I don't need to short. I don't see any sense in it. I like when people do. A lot of people on my show do, and I love it. I love when people short stock. I get short squeezes all the time. I love it. But I don't short anything. Stop waffling, bro. First of all, I'm not your bro. I'm not waffling. This is my show. If you don't like it, your channel is about money. It is about money, yeah. It's not about losing money, though, or shorting anything. Not at all. Ryzen. I just told you I don't claim to be an expert. By the way, what about 1,000 to 10,000 challenge? Kong and Kid. I will cover that. If Ali Tizro is coming on the show this afternoon, we'll share with you our 1,000 to 10,000 and our $7,000 to $100,000 crypto challenge. We've got an amazing analyst and chart reader that's telling us when to buy, what assets to buy, and he is not telling me to buy any Bitcoin whatsoever right now. None whatsoever. I think it will go to zero eventually. That's my prediction. Crag, you could maybe right. I never said it's 100% going up. I just don't agree with you preaching to your viewers. I'm not preaching to anyone, and it's definitely going to crash. It's definitely going to crash when you don't know this. Yes, I do. Your unsure words could lead to financial losses. No, not at all. Everyone knows here, Kevin. Obviously, you're not a member, but everybody else is. And there's a reason why everybody else is a member, because they see me go live every single day for your viewers who believe your waffle. Kevin, you're entitled to your opinion, and I talk to everyone as I'm talking to you. But please be respectful. You're disrespecting my audience who join me on average 5.5 hours a day. I'm live 10 hours a day. My viewers watch me 5.5 hours a day, Monday to Friday, every single day, and 95% of them are members for the reason that they know what we say here is true. And I will respect you, but please be respectful to me. This is, I am not in any way influencing or manipulating my audience. I'm doing the opposite. I do not encourage anyone to watch for waffle or hype or pump or dump at all. I just tell you the facts as it is. Some of the finest folks that are exceptional on crypto and are right an awful lot are all on the same opinion. There is more pain to come with crypto before the upside. Exactly. The only people who think it's going to go up are those that are buying it because they live in hope. And that's not how we do things here. What is happening? I just joined. Sakiso, we've got someone who's very pro Bitcoin who thinks I'm wrong by telling people it's going to go down, apparently. He'd rather me say it's going up. I don't understand that. Anyway, well, I do understand it. I do understand it. I know exactly why he's doing it. Anyway, I'll keep it respectful, but saying something is definitely going to happen when investing into stocks, crypto, or real estate is the most naive and dangerous thing someone could ever do. No, it isn't. I can't tell you 100% that Tesla's going down or Microsoft is going down, because they are companies that make money and they are influenced by who buys and sells. However, I know 100% that Bitcoin is going down because it makes no money, serves no purpose at all. And it is all based upon greed and based upon hype. And I understand people very, very well. So I know 100% it's going down. 100%. And I don't need to short any stock whatsoever. Stop saying it's definitely going to crash, though. It may do, but saying it's definitely going to do it is really stupid. Well, that's entirely up to you. I don't think I'm stupid, but I appreciate that you think I'm stupid. Anyway, let's focus on my members right now. I just had a new person here, Jorg. Is that Jorg or Jorg? I think it's George. George, I think it is, has just become a member. So let me give you all your perks and benefits. First of all, George, your badge will go from blue to green to yellow to gold to red. Thank you so much indeed for being here. Let me give you now all your perks and benefits. You can now ask me to do a poll in the chat, and I'll do a poll for you. You can ask me to review a stock, and I will review a stock for you. You can ask me to buy stocks and make a video on it if you want to. The S&P's rolling over. Perfect. We're waiting for Wednesday. That's exactly what we thought would happen, which is exactly what we want. Exactly what we want. There we go. The S&P is now up 4%, but it is going over right now. Let me go into my brokerage account. I am, there's the position there. I'm up 3.26. This is exactly what we want. Tesla as well. We told everybody, all the fanboys, that Tesla was going down. Elon Musk is about to sell it when it gets to 190. They don't want to hear that, of course, because they think it's going to go to $1,200 old school, $400 new money. I don't know why they think that, but that would be like 110% times earnings. Makes no sense, but there you go. So, George, I hope it's spelled correctly, George. I'm going to also give you your access now to Discord, where you can call into the show. If Kevin Connolly would like to go to Discord, he can call into the show, have his say. George, I invite you. No other YouTuber I know on YouTube will invite you to call live into the show. I will. There is the Discord channel. It's free to access Discord. But if you want to call into the show, you need to be a YouTube member. So, George, when you get onto Discord, you are now a member. I'd like to upgrade your account. Okay, let me go over to Discord. When you come through here into Discord, you will be here into the welcome all screen. Confirm it's you on the screen, George, and I will upgrade your account live on the show. Okay, George, so come into Discord here. You can then go into the broadcast lounge and call in. If our guest here, Kevin Connolly, wants to call in and be on the show, he can. This isn't anything about honesty. It's about this guy giving absolute certainties when nothing is certain when investing. It's 100% certain, actually. Fact, anyone who says otherwise needs to learn the hard way. Okay, well, we've learned the hard way. We've been margin called. We've been up. We've been down. We've experienced all kinds of things live on the show. We've had sadness. We've had people lose their lives on this show. We've had it happen. We've had people in hospital with COVID in this show. We've had people get married on this show. We've had people get margin called, lose all their money on the show. We've had Mohammed Kahine make $100,000 live on the show. We've had it all. King Kong 96. All right, Kid Kong. Are you on YouTube? Are you a YouTube member? If you are, confirm you're a YouTube member and I will upgrade your account, Kid Kong. If you are a YouTube member, go into YouTube now and confirm that you're a member and I will upgrade your account. In fact, Kong and Kid, I think that's probably you. You're not a YouTube member, so I can't upgrade your account yet, I'm afraid. Kid and Kong, yeah, I see that. I see yes, but I can't upgrade your account. You are not a YouTube member, so you can't call into the show or see the exclusive content. It's for YouTube members only. You can access all the free content. You can talk to me, you can message everybody, but you can't call in. It's a YouTube perk, I'm afraid. There is the YouTube membership if you want that. Tesla's going down. Enig Maxi, good morning, Enig Maxi as well. If you are a YouTube member, confirm in YouTube that your YouTube name, and I will upgrade your account. Wouldn't we be millionaires? Some things are certain, and like I said to you before, Kevin, I don't need to short any stock at all. I don't believe in it. I've got all I need, thank you. SoFi only moving in my portfolio. Let's have a little look. SoFi's up today, 15%, looking good. Thank you. I'm happy to be here. Kid Kong, welcome, Kid Kong. Enig Maxi as well. If you become a YouTube member, I can upgrade your account and you can call into the show. And for Kevin Connolly, you'll notice that 95% of our live viewers are now members. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. Mr. Beast is 9% of his live viewers are members. BitBoy, Cryptos R Us, it's around about 3%. Mine is 95%. There you go. Stop dodging the point. Kevin Connolly, I've given you enough of my time. I have to focus on my members. You're asking, you know, I'm not dodging anything at all. But if you want to carry on, please do become a member, and you can call in and be part of the show. You can have your say. If you believe in what you're saying, I'm wrong, you can actually call into the show and share your opinions with the world. So you don't have to be a keyboard warrior. You can actually call into the channel, either on video or with audio, and you can call in and speak to people and share your views. If you don't want to do that, then fine. Let's have a look. You have no proof or valid points. That's how do you say, right, okay. Actually, Martin, this is probably one I agree on. No such thing as a certainty, especially in this bonkers market in crypto. Not much like, yeah, that's the point though, 22. The fact that there is no logic means there is logic to it, right? It's based upon human sentiment. And we know that interest rates are going up. We know that we are heading to a recession. We know that people are running out of money. We know that there is greed around the world. We know Bitcoin is going down 100%. And Kevin Connolly says your audience agrees with you. 22 is the only person out of everyone who has just said they agree with me. 22, I see. Kevin Connolly, I read every comment, and you've picked one comment out of everyone. And let me tell you, 22 is one of my committed members of our family. The only reason he's not a member is because he is in the Channel Islands and can't actually get a membership. Ali Tizro, here is our crypto guy. Thank God for that. Kevin, we've got a guy called Kevin Connolly who's telling me that I'm talking rubbish because I'm saying Bitcoin is 100% going down, and he thinks I'm talking a lot of rubbish and I'm influencing people and manipulating people and so on and so forth. Ali Tizro is my crypto guy, and right, you are very immature. All right, there we go. So now you've got offensive. We've just timed out your comments. I asked you not to be offensive, but you decided to do that instead. You couldn't win the argument with facts, so you decided to call me immature. Thank you very much indeed. You're very welcome. No problem at all. I don't agree with you, Kevin. No, only one person agreed with 1 point, but Kevin Connolly tries to make out everyone agrees with him. That's what people do, I'm afraid, when they believe in an asset. They think if they tell everybody a lot of rubbish with negativity and shorting, they can convince everybody else, but they can't. Not on this channel. You can on other channels. I'm sorry I was not able to watch everything. I had to go to work. No worry, Fed Chi. Wonderful to have you back. You've missed a bit of argy-bargy going on. We've had a guest come into the channel today. I won the argument, Kevin. You didn't win anything. No one agrees with you apart from one person on one point. That's a fact. 2, you refuse to call in, so you're just a keyboard warrior. You might be a 5-year-old kid messing around for all we know. You won't verify yourself. So you haven't proved anything at all. What's up with Kevin? Take a chill pill. Yeah, no one agrees with you. Ryan Carson's asked you to calm down. Bitcoin going down. Everyone knows that. Hello from Slovenia. I like what you do and have my follow. Thank you, Mitcha. Thank you very much indeed. Welcome to you. We've got a lot of, we've got a lot of idiots. We've got one person that's trying to be aggressive, but he's not, and he thinks he's winning and he's getting 0, but I don't understand it. Yeah, the only thing that 22 agreed with was that 1 point. One person agreed with 1 point he said, and apparently all my audience agrees with him. Anyway, he's still just ranting in the background. He doesn't want to become a member. He doesn't want to call in. He doesn't want to have it. I invite Kevin to call in to the show, but he doesn't want to. He chooses not to call in. Pete, the reason why I say it's going down is because it's based upon greed, and it's based upon majority of knowledge that is coming from hype, telling everybody, and people are greedy and they've lost a lot of money and they think it's going to go up and they think they can't see anything else. It doesn't make any money. It's the only asset I can imagine right now where everyone's on YouTube is telling you it's going to go up when it doesn't make any money. The only people who think that are literally clowns. The only people who think that are those who are trying to get you to watch their videos. But you watch their videos. No, Fed, you did the right thing. The markets are going down. We've got the Fed on Wednesday, of course. Interest rates are going up, despite Kevin Connolly saying it's going to, Bitcoin's going to keep going up. Very immature to believe that. My moderators, he's allowed to say immature. I don't mind that. Let him say that's fine. He's entitled to his opinion. 99% of it is not a scam. What is that? What is he's got the bit between his teeth. He has. He's having a good time. He's having fun being a keyboard warrior. Ed Nevius, I agree, but I give everyone. But this show, as you know, gives everyone the chance to call in, but he doesn't want to. Some people like to rant in the chat. Yeah, we are having a debate, and I love it. I absolutely love it. And why don't you call in then? Why don't you call in? I agree with Martin. The only going to go up to watch. Yeah, that's right. I tell you right now, right? I mean, I can't be more honest with you guys. I'm the only YouTuber I know, and I study it. 10 hours a day. I live in the studio. I study it. I've been the world piano man as voted by Sir Elton John. I've performed in 195 countries. This is my studio. Let me give you a wave. And I've learned about people. And unfortunately, most people are greedy and all they care about is themselves. This channel is not for everybody else. Not for me. It's for you, right? That's what this channel is dedicated to. I sit here 10 hours a day proving to you that my focus is you, right? We've raised over $1 million for our members live on this show, on the music channel. It's here for you, all right? BitBoy, Cryptos R Us, the list goes on and on and on and on. They do exactly what they need to do to get you to watch the video. Some of the big YouTubers make 10 grand a video. They will tell you anything they want for you to watch. And we live in a world where we are influenced by greed and getting rich. And unfortunately, it looks like Kevin has swallowed that pill and believes that rubbish. Well, that's fine, because it works for them. They feel good about it. They become keyboard warriors. They won't call in. They won't have their say, but they'll sit behind the computer and say anything. And I asked them to call in. And all I get is, well, why don't you short it? I don't live in a world of negativity, and many of you do short stocks, and that's fine. Please go ahead and do it. I have no problem with that, but I won't do it. It's not of any interest to me whatsoever. Right, so my overall position right now is $40,000, up from $5,000, $40,000 with no shorting, no margin, really no risk, to be quite honest. We are in a defensive situation right now. We're in a bear market rally. We've got the Fed raising interest rates on Wednesday, but there you go. Microsoft is nearly a buy for me. I will set up my credit card with YouTube and be a subscriber. Fed Chi, I can't wait for you to become a member, and then you can call in. Maybe you'd like to have your say on the show and give your opinion of the show. There's the invitation to join. And if you become a member, I'll upgrade your channel on Discord as well. Don't forget, you can also be a sponsor to our channel. And Ali Tizro is here right now. We reach over 500,000 people a day across my platforms, and you can have all those benefits. All he is saying is it's not a certainty. It is a certainty. It's a certainty that Bitcoin is going down before it goes up, because it's all about human sentiment. There's nothing else there. There's nothing else behind it. It makes no money at all. It's based upon people's greed. And right now, with where we are in the recession, where we are economically, the fact of the matter is, it is 100% going down. Kevin, what I mean by keyboard warrior is you're prepared to say things without backing it up. You don't want to call in, you don't want to be part of the show, you don't want to be a member, you just want to tweet that I'm immature, stubborn, and whatever. Well, there you go. I stand by what I said. I'm trying to become a YouTube member. I don't know how. Let me give you the invitation. This is what you do. And I will upgrade your account live on the show, and then you call in. So anyway, let me, looking at Microsoft, we're waiting for it to go lower. You are speaking facts. No, you're not. You're just speaking your opinion. Yep, Fed meeting on Wednesday. Is Kev gonna man up and call in? No. The people that talk negatively and shout and scream never ever call in. The people that call in are those with education and a productive comment to make. People who just rant never call in. They never have done, and they never will do. I'd fall over backwards if he called in. You said that last week it's going to be up before it's going to go down. Yes, I did. I did say last week it's going to be up before it's going down, and it is. Crypto will never make money. It's not a company. Here's our crypto expert, if you like. This is Ali Tizro with our 1,000. Now, someone asked, Ali Tizro, I've had, I think, 5 people this morning join Discord. Many of them are interested in your services. Ali, we've only got 2 away now from a public server. We're at 498. So, Ali, you might want to call in, Ali. The broadcast lounge is open if you want to call in. There are several people this morning who asked about the $1,000 to $10,000 and $7,000 to $100,000 crypto challenge. Maybe you want to call in. Robert Rose, nothing is a certainty in the markets. You're making a fool of yourself. Robert, no, I'm not. You're entitled to your opinion. Robert Rose is also non-members. Can you see the non-members always saying the negative stuff? There's no doubt about it that Bitcoin is going down. I shorted Tesla at 179. Please have a look at my T's channel. I will do in a second. Go ahead and short. Please go ahead and short. I will never short anything. I agree with you, Martin, on Bitcoin. Thank you, Alex. Look at all these comments above. Kevin, across all of my platforms right now, right, I go across to 500,000 people across all of my platforms. We've had about, 4 comments saying that I'm wrong. Okay. He knows he's wrong. Okay. Yeah. We've got some crazy people in the channel today. They're entitled to their opinion, but of course it's my show, right, guys? And I have a specific set of rules and regulations and the way I do my show and what my objectives are. And we're here to be honest. We're not here to promote or pump anything. There are plenty of channels to do that. If Kevin wants to go and watch a channel which tells you everything's going to be great, go and watch BitBoy, Cryptos R Us. Those channels exist for that. This is not what this channel is about. Just because I know Bitcoin's going down doesn't mean I'm going to buy it or sell it at all. I would rather put my money in something else right now. I have a balanced portfolio. I'm not taking silly gambles. I'm not gambling or speculating on anything. I have a balanced portfolio. And if you don't believe me, look at that. I have 47% of the S&P 500, a safe, diverse portfolio with balance. It's not a get rich quick scheme. That's not what this channel is about. Oh, we have Ali Tizro in the chat. Okay, so we have our crypto guy in the chat. Fantastic. I'm going to bring Ali Tizro in. Ali Tizro, welcome to the channel. How are you today?
Hello, I'm good. Thank you very much. How are you doing?
It's great to have you here. I'm very well, thank you. Yeah, thanks for calling in. We got a bit of excitement this morning with a new guy who's, well, you can hear what he's saying. I'm immature, delusional, don't know what I'm talking about. And of course, we answer and give everyone a voice here, but he doesn't want to call in and be part of it. Ali, give me your opinion. You are our go-to guy when it comes to crypto. What's your thoughts?
No, unfortunately, I just joined the stream, so I'm not sure what he was saying, but I do invite him on Discord. I'm here now. If he wants to call in, have a say, I'm sure we can have a discussion here. But well, normally they don't like to call in, so I'll give you my opinions on the markets now.
Nobody negative.
I'd love for him to join us.
Yeah, no, I've since we've been doing this for a year and a half, no one who is constantly saying I'm stupid or immature or I'm wrong or whatever. None of those people ever call in. I'm afraid they never have done. I don't know why. I invite anyone to call in, and it's kind of bizarre because the other YouTube channels would not give you a voice on the channel, particularly if you were saying they were wrong. But we never get that. Anyway, so we can't learn nothing from him. He's just in the chat. So Ali, you're our crypto guy. What's your thoughts?
Well, if I can share a couple charts, I haven't had a look at the markets today, but I'm sure I can do it on the spot.
What channel is that in? Is that in your channel?
I'm sharing my screen now. On Discord, I'm just going to change it over.
Let me go into the broadcast lounge and let's share your thoughts. Okay. Just mute me a second so I can't hear myself in the background. There we go, Ali.
Yes, are we live? Are we good to go?
Yep. Good now. Spot on.
Can you see my charts right now on Tesla?
Yes, very interesting. Tell me what's your thoughts?
Very interesting. Yeah. So on Friday, I posted. I can show you guys now, but it was on my Discord, my private Discord. I showed my members that 179 very strong resistance. We hit it and we bounced, and I was very happy to see my plus 500 was all my profits were taken. I had a look and I saw Tesla dropped exactly at that level. It's a very clear resistance level. We hit it, we dropped. And we're taking profits. Let me go on to crypto now. That was the chart that I was on.
At what point do you think Elon Musk is going to jump in and sell? Because we know he's going to sell. When do you think he's going to do it?
I'm not sure if he's going to sell. I have no opinions on when Elon Musk is going to sell. I just look at charts. I mean,
Okay.
If he needs money, he'll probably end up selling whenever he wants. He's in the money. All his shares were at $1. His pick he got, so he can sell at any point. And
Is that how much? Is that how much his shares are? $1.
Well, no, you probably had them at around $1. Yeah, sure. That's when he became the CEO and took over the company. So
Wow.
So yeah, his shares are probably thousands of percent in profit. So whenever he sells, he's making money. So I can't tell you when he's going to sell next.
Ali,
I don't see
Ali,
him selling.
Sorry to interrupt you before we continue. And again, human behavior is so predictable. It's why I say Bitcoin's going down. As predicted again, guys, I hate to say I told you so, and I hate to say I've been proved right again. The very person that a handful of you, well, two of you actually, thought was talking right, has now just made the most ridiculous comments on the screen, and I want to share that, even though it's I think I can. No, in fact, it's been hidden, so I can't share it. So Kevin Connolly has now expressed has demonstrated his true nature by being extremely ignorant and silly. So now you are timed out completely. So Kevin Connolly, you proved my point. So we're done talking with you. We gave you an opportunity to be intelligent, and you have now resorted to extremely offensive language. So just wanted to put that out there. Please carry on, Ali. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes, very offensive. I'm not sure why people like that exist. We'll just carry on. We'll ignore him. We'll move on.
I appreciate him a lot because he's just watched 3 ads on my channel, so I've earned some money out of his channel, and he'll come back tomorrow to watch more. He won't be able to resist it. So carry on, Ali. It's all good.
Yeah. So my thoughts on crypto right now is, I mean, nothing is a certainty. I mean, we could suddenly go all the way up to 30,000, whatever. But my personal thoughts are, we are getting a bit overbought at the moment. So hello?
Still here. Still here. Ali, we're still here. You've muted yourself, Ali. There you go.
Hello, Martin.
Yep, you're here. You just muted yourself for a moment.
Okay. Sorry. I'm not sure. It's my lap. I'm on the go right now. So
That's all right. No worries. Yeah, you're doing a great job.
My thoughts on crypto right now is we are a bit overbought.
Yeah.
We are seeing some sort of accumulation structure going on. Some might call it an ascending bull flag. I mean, right now I'm sitting on the sidelines. I'm not taking many trades. There's a couple minor trades on my Discord with very tight stop losses we're having, but ultimately I do believe we're going lower. We might see a retest of 20,000 and then go up to 28,000. But in the long term, with the recession looming, all this stuff looming, I can't see Bitcoin going much higher than 28,000 in the short to medium term. If anything, we'll come and retest the lows, 15,000, and we might make new lows. But I'll keep an eye on the markets. I'll see if anything develops, anything changes. And then I'll be posting that on my Discord channel, and I'll be coming on and sharing any of my own thoughts. As you can see on the right-hand side, a lot of these altcoins are down 10%, 7%. If anyone's in trades, they're probably liquidated. So it's not bad to sit on the sidelines, especially after such a big run. I'm not buying any crypto. You're not buying any crypto. My people on my Discord aren't buying any crypto. I have my own bags of crypto on the side. If that goes up, it's fine. But we're not buying any crypto yet.
I want to jump in there because Andrew Grady just said I bought 1,000 Algorand on this morning's dip. LOL. I just want to say this is why we have Ali Tizro here for the crypto challenge, right, guys? He approached me and said, Martin, can I sponsor the channel? And I said, as long as it's good for the channel and good for my viewers. Number one, good for my viewers. And he said, I want to do a $1,000 to $10,000 challenge and a $7,000 to $100,000 challenge. Live on the show, in front of everyone, honest, real, very opposite to our Mr. Connolly, and said to me that I want to do it. I think it's good for the good for your viewers. And I said, well, you know, I'm not a bull when it comes to crypto. But he said, well, do you believe it has a part to play? I said, yes, it does. I have a lottery ticket. 1.00001% of my portfolio, I'll buy a lottery ticket, right? I believe that crypto has somewhere between 5 1 and 5% of my portfolio. I do believe it's important to have. So what we've done now, I'm not an expert. I cannot understand the way Ali does with crypto, and I don't need to. I don't need to be an expert in everything and anything at all. What I need to do is I need to be an expert in surrounding myself with great people. And Ali is here, and we have wonderful people that contribute really positive, fundamentals and facts and knowledge to our show. And that is where what this is all about. And Ali Tizro has given me this challenge, and you've seen me do it. I've got $1,000 waiting to be deployed into my crypto. Now, I don't have to decide what assets to buy, and I don't have to decide when to buy them. Ali will tell me when to buy them and what to buy at the right time. So if you want to be part of all of that, I would just mute yourself there, Ali. Just mute yourself there, Ali, mate. Okay, that's better. If you want to be part of that, you can access all that information through my Discord server. You do. I just got a bit of sound coming from somewhere, Ali. Anyway, I'll put Discord in the chat. Here is my Discord server. Now, as a YouTube member, you won't be able to see the. In fact, I'm just going to mute that one. There we go. You won't be able to see the Prime services the exclusive channels where Ali's Discord channel is. You need to be a YouTube member. However, if you'd rather not be a member of my channel and you want to go directly to Ali's service, you can, but then you won't receive the lifetime discount that my members get. Remember, my members always get the best deal. If you look below this video and any video, you will see Ali's link to his Discord server, but I'm going to give it to you now in the chat as well. Ali, if you want to post it as well, you can. I don't know why I'm getting a repeat of audio coming through. Don't know where it's coming from, but I can hear myself twice somewhere. Don't know where that is.
I'm all muted, so it
shouldn't be on mine. I don't know. Not to worry. I don't know where it's coming from, but not to worry. It's not a major deal. So there you go. So if you want to access that, you can. Ali's put his link in there as well. And you can see all the information that he's sharing. He will tell you what crypto to buy, when to buy it. And it takes all that worry and fear out of it because you've got somebody who knows what they're doing, who's had success in that field. Again, nothing's guaranteed. This is not financial advice, but this is what we are doing with our money. It's not being done for entertainment or to get you to watch the video. It's done with our own money. If you find it entertaining and you want to watch the video and you want to be part of this family, then you can. But we're doing it because it's what we're doing with our money. Anyway, Ali, back to you.
Yeah, I thought I'd just show the T's channel. So this was posted on Friday on my Discord. It was, I said 179 resistance. So if anyone took that trade or wanted to take that trade, I mean, I'm not telling anyone to take trades. I'm not doing financial advice. I'm just presenting what I'm seeing in the market. 179, you could have put a 10x leverage and went down 10%, so you'd have doubled your money there. We've got more long-term plays like this, like charts like this, which is showing gold, a potential cup and handle. So it's not just crypto. We do stocks, we do commodities, we do everything. We've got different types of trade setups, and then obviously we've got the 1k to 10k portfolio, which tells you exactly what coins we're buying, what percentage, what price, how much that it equates to in the token amount, and exactly what, when, and why we're buying. And I'll provide all the charts. You'll get alerts when I'm buying. And so yeah, that's the Discord. You can join. You can ask me questions before you sign up, and you can always cancel if you don't like it after a month. But there's been no cancellations. I think everyone's quite happy with what they're receiving. And we're going to be doing one-on-one live. No, not one-on-one. I'm going to do some live sessions for my members to answer any questions and go through specific charts they want to be seen. So if anyone has any questions, just join the Discord. Ask me any questions privately before you join if you like, and I'm here to help you guys.
I've got one question here from Fed Chi. Do you only use the Discord to share the buy and sell notifications? No, the Discord is for many, many things. In fact, our silver, gold, and sponsorship level members can have their own channel in their server, so they can promote their own business. I've got all of my information. I've got many of our members have their own channels. There's all different. There's the general chit chat. You can make friends, learn from each other. We've got lots of things. It's not just the buy and sell notifications. No, back to you, Ali.
Yes, but specifically on my channel, if you do join my specific Discord, then you do get the buy and sell, but you also get charts. You get one-on-one time, you get any questions answered, you get your portfolio calculator. If you don't want to use 1,000, you can type in 100 and see how it splits between the coins we're buying. There's a lot of perks, and then you have the live videos that we will be doing in the future. I saw another question. How would a rate hike in the UK move the crypto market? It didn't move. Yeah, it didn't move much last time because it was anticipated what was happening. I mean, if we, as with stocks, if we get a 0.5, I mean, it's 99% people think we're getting 0.25. If we get a 0.5, then everything is going to come crashing down. So, however the stocks react, the crypto will probably react the same way. I mean, to be honest, I have said for a while, even if you go on my Discord channel, that crypto is probably going to head up. We were at 22,000. It was looking. I said I'm bullish on the markets. I said I'm bullish on the stock market as well, and we've carried on going up. So short term, I am still a little bit bullish, but I've already bought what I wanted to buy. I bought Tesla at $105. I bought Bitcoin down at 18,000. I bought what I wanted to buy. I'm not buying now. I'm just saying I wouldn't sell right now. If we hit higher target prices, we will sell, and then we'll look for lower price entries. But on the long term, 1K to 10K portfolio, we have not bought a single thing because I'm expecting cryptos to come lower than where they are now. So please join the Discord if you like, and I'll answer any of your questions.
Ali, I'd like your thoughts on this one.
Yes.
I'm still getting audio from somewhere. I can't work out where it's coming from. But anyway, it's only very slightly. I'd like your thoughts on this. A couple of days ago, we saw Lucid go up 140%, and I sold mine. It's now back down at 92% up, so it's dropped, just over nearly 50% from where it peaked to a couple of days ago. And many people said to me, "Why would you sell Lucid? It's a fantastic car. The technology is great. It's going to go to $40, $50, $100. God, make up a number. All these numbers in the future." And my point to those people was, we are up 140%, which is what you could make in 10 years on the S&P 500. As Warren Buffett said, if you only owned the S&P 500 and left your money from, I think it was 1940 something to $10,000 to today, you'd have $51 million. All right. If you only owned the S&P and did nothing else. The fact is, Lucid went up what the S&P has done, would do on average in 10 years. It doesn't matter that it's the greatest technology in the world and it might go up to $1 gazillion in the future. You've made 140% on a stock. Why on earth would you not sell? And I made the point, in the future, imagine Lucid is the greatest EV car company in the world, and people are now buying it for $100, which they will at some point. They'll start buying it for $100. If it went to 200, imagine that happening, which would be 1,000 years from now. All right, you would make 100%. So it makes no difference whether you make 100% at $100 to $200, where it might be in the future, or from $5 to 10, or as it went, it was nearly $20 a share. So the point I'm making is, if you buy any asset, especially if it's pre-revenue, it's not actually making money. Remember, Tesla makes money on its cars, but Lucid and Rivian lose money on their cars at the moment. If you've got an asset like that is up 140% and you don't sell it, what are you thinking? That's like saying I'm up 140% on the S&P over 10 years and thinking, I don't understand it. I don't understand why I get so many people say, "Why are you selling it? It's the greatest car in the world." It's not about being the greatest car in the world. I've just made 140%. 10 years of what you
Yeah,
would make.
if you're making profits like that, it's certainly a great idea to take profits, and and especially when it's clear to see what's happening. It's a short squeeze. It's not going to last forever. It's not a pump that's going to take you to new all-time highs. It's a 1 day short squeeze. I mean, someone in my Discord channel actually asked me exactly when that pump was. I quickly jumped on. He asked me quickly look at Lucid, what's going on, and at the time, Lucid, if I've got the chart up now, was just heading up to $17. It was at 16, and I said, sell now or sell when it hits 17.80. Exactly at 17.80, exactly at the point I told him to sell. Straight after, I mean, we all saw what happened. It dropped. It dropped 25%. So there is times when there's not much liquidity in the market, where one big buy order will take out lots of shorts. It will make the market pump. But times like that, you want to be taking as much profits as you can. We're still in a bear market. You're making 150%, 100%. Take those profits. Leave it on the side. What's the worst that happens? It carries on going up. You've made some money. At least you're not losing money anymore. This bear market's been very, very hard on many people, and if you're not taking profits on 150% in a day, I'm not sure what you're here to do.
Yeah, exactly. At what point is it enough? I mean, literally, it was within a day, wasn't it? 150% in a day. If you're not going to sell that, there's nothing you're ever going to sell, right? I mean, what are you waiting for?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I don't know.
Personally, I see 100%. I see 70%. I'm taking profits, but even in just looking at the charts as well, it made complete sense why I would reverse there. That's where the initial shorters are. That's where people from long positions are taking profits. So that $17 mark, great place to sell. Unfortunately, the person who asked on Discord, their eToro account froze. It didn't let them sell, which normally happens with stuff like this. We saw it with AMC and we saw it with GME when they stopped trading. So unfortunately, he wasn't actually able to. But if he could have, he would have taken profits, and he saw through my chart analysis that would be the perfect point to sell. But yeah, if anyone's up 70, 60, 50% in a day, why not take some profits? It's more than you've been making this whole bear market. So take some profits on the side, and there'll always be another opportunity for you to buy another stock, another great company, another great
exactly.
Price
Exactly. Don't be married to the stock. The stock doesn't care you own it. You know, none of these assets, whether it's Bitcoin, crypto, Coca-Cola, it doesn't matter. It doesn't know or care you own it. So if you've made a profit, isn't that why you bought it in the first place? Take profits. And getting away from the charts and just looking at the news, I was reading the news all day, and basically what it was a rumor that United Arab Emirates company, whatever it was, were going to take over the company, buy in, and it was a rumor. It wasn't even based on an actual thing that was going to happen. It was just a rumor, and it may come off, it may not, but there's no. But the point I want to make is, just because a company gets bought out doesn't necessarily mean that's going to be great news either. At the end of the day, we could buy anyone could come along and buy a company out, but what it comes down to is, will the company be able to sell more of its products and make profit? It's not a magic pill just because somebody buys the company, surely, but it is good news that drives the stock up. So just buy the rumors, sell the news, and get out of it. And if you never can get in it again, who cares? Because when it gets to 100, if it does, and goes to 200, that's 100% increase. You've made 150% when it was 5 to 17. So it doesn't matter, does it, really?
No, exactly. I mean, a lot of us are here during the market. Like, some people buy for 5 years, don't ever look at the markets. But the people watching this channel here, we're looking at the markets every day. So we should take the opportunity that we have. If we're looking at the market every day, we see something pump.
Oh, breaking news. Just 1 second. I'll be right back to you. This is exactly what I've been waiting for. Hang on. A position has just presented itself to me. Johnson & Johnson has just gone down 3%. It's diving. So buy. Here we go. Buy my limit order now. Here we go. On my Roth IRA, I'm going into my Roth. You cannot not buy that. Here we go. Buy set a limit order 163 163.50. It doesn't matter where I put it. I'm at 169 average. So 163.50. I'm buying a company that makes money, solid. I've got $500 in my Roth available to me. So if I buy 10 shares, can't afford 10, 5, 4, 164, let me just change that, 164. This is an absolute solid buy for me. 493, there we go. Review the order and buy. Quick. Bought it. Fantastic. Right. I've just increased my position, went down 2.43. It might go down even lower. I don't care or no, but the dividend itself is worth that amount of money. So I'm very happy. And look, if it goes up now, I am going to be if that goes up now, live on the show in front of you, I'm going to be the happiest man because I've just managed to go to my Roth IRA, long-term position, which you know it is J&J, by a 2.5% drop. If that goes up now, I'd be over the moon. Let's watch it just for 10 seconds. Just give it a minute, and I'll come back to Ali. This is a solid company. We're preparing for Wednesday, folks. That's what's happening now. We expect interest rates to go up. High-risk stocks will be sold off. If J&J is being dumped, what this means is that's opportunity for you. I love that. I was just down nearly 5% then. I'm now down 2.5%, and it might go lower. I don't know. I don't care. I've lowered my average to 168. I'm fine with that. If it keeps on going down, in fact, I can't buy anymore. I don't need to. Doesn't matter. Down she goes. Let's go to the 5-year chart. There we go. You see how it... Ali, what do you think about J&J? I see you got it on the screen. Let me come back to you and see what you would have said looking at the charts. Right, I'm looking at your chart now, Ali. Back to you.
Let me see. Am I mute? No. So on the 4-hour, on the shorter time frame, it seems like a good buy. It's oversold. It seems like a great place. You've picked some up. It's a company you like, and you're not buying the pump. You're buying a drop, which is never wrong. If we look at it on a longer time frame, let's go weekly and see what it's been doing. It's in a brilliant uptrend. It's a great company. It's uptrending. The downside is pretty limited. If you're going to go test that 200-week moving average, that's 157 on a long-term chart. There's not many charts that trend up so perfectly like this. It just shows. Every single dip, it's a higher low. There's more people owning the asset. It's stood the test of time. It's just in a brilliant uptrend. You can't bet against a stock like this, not at all.
So what you're seeing here, folks, is two different sides to the trade. Ali is looking at the chart and explaining everything he did there. I don't look at the chart. I don't need to. I've got Ali to do that for me, right? But why I bought J&J is not because I've studied the chart. It isn't. I studied the company. I've looked at all the history of the company, how many years it's paid out its dividend. Has it always paid out? Has it always increased? Does it make money? Is it in every single product you buy when you walk into your local chemist? Yes. It's not going anywhere. So all I'm doing, and I don't need to be a chart reader or even focus on that. Whenever Johnson & Johnson presents itself at a low like that, for me, an all-time low like that, I buy and add more. Now that wasn't my ambition this morning. My ambition was to use that $500 to buy Tesla. However, I'm not trying to beat the market, become the richest guy on the show, win every trade. All I want to do is get to 200,000 by the end of next year, 100,000 by the end of this year, and have a nice growth where I can relax and not worry. J&J is now part of my Roth, which I don't intend on selling, so I'm not going to pay any tax on it. And I know 100%, as much as 100%, so Kevin's going to come back and say, you don't know anything 100%. But I know as much as I can possibly know that J&J will be around in 10 years' time for my pension. I don't know that about many other companies. Including, I mean, I wouldn't say as far as Tesla, but there are many other companies that will not be around next year, let alone 5-10 years. I want to buy something in my Roth, my pension, that I can forget all about it and know it's going to be up in 5 years from now without any doubt whatsoever. And that's why when I saw that there, I bought in. And one reason why it might have gone down dramatically, why it often goes down like this, very often it happens when J&J get a lawsuit. I'm looking at their lawsuits all the time. Companies that are involved in this sort of business get sued all the time. Remember the situation with talcum powder? But they have insurance for that. They can always come back from that. J&J is not going to be wiped out because somebody sues for some reason. So I don't know what the news behind that is, but if I look later on, it might be a lawsuit from somewhere. And we'll find out. But as we look at it now, it's starting to come up. And let's go back to Ali's, because I can see you're trying to find some information there.
Yeah, there's nothing yet that I can see.
No.
But yeah, whatever it is, it's caused a sudden price drop. It got oversold, and we're seeing some good wicks on the bottom. So that does signify we might be going higher. But we don't know. I mean, you've just bought a dip on a company you like. You're not buying the pumps, which is always what you want to do. And looking at the chart long term and short term, it seems like the right decision. So one of the
ways why a company like this does get sold quickly like that, it's regarded as a granddad stock. All right, people might have owned this stock for 30, 40 years. Now imagine you're a big whale. Think about it for a minute. You're a big whale and you own millions of shares of J&J. You've owned it for 30 years. You're thousands of % up. I don't know what it might be, right? And you've just sold all your position. You're 80 years of age. You don't need it. You don't need it sitting in there anymore. You decided you're not going to leave it to your children to inherit. You just want to sell it, buy an island, buy a Caribbean island and a yacht. Then that happens. Stocks like this do suddenly get sold, and they get bought by the next round of millionaires. So people like me who believe in these sort of companies long term, when they see a dip like that, don't even hesitate for a second. Pick up the dip. Now it might go lower, but it isn't going to go down and down and down. As Ali said, it's in an upward trend, and it's going to reverse at some point later on today. And whether I get the bottom or not, it doesn't matter. I don't need to get the bottom. I've just bought a great company which makes profits, which pays a good dividend. Somebody somewhere has dumped it, either because they're being sued for something which they'll deal with, or a big whale has just dropped it because he's just got to a point, he or she, or some institution have got to the point when they just want to cash out. That happens all the time with quality stocks like this. Ali?
Exactly. Yeah, I agree. I mean, if you haven't got the worst price, the best price, maybe you dollar cost average in a bit more at later price. But I mean, it's better than buying a pump, so no one can fault you on buying Johnson & Johnson at these prices. But yeah, I saw another question saying, what do I think? What do I think of silver? I'll quickly show you silver before I have to hop off and head off.
Yeah, thanks, Ali, for your time.
Let me see what silver's looking like. No, I mean silver's looking fine. It's consolidating. It's got a trend line it should be breaking out of if it wants to head higher. So we're having a good eye on $24 an ounce. So as soon as we break through that, we can expect quite a good impulse up, maybe to $30, and then after that we can see how much further we can head up. I mean, gold, silver's looking like a better buy than gold at the moment. I've looked at the chart between silver and gold. If I was going to buy something, it would be silver over gold at the moment. But they're both great. Gold and silver should always be part of someone's portfolio, 1-5%, just like Bitcoin should be, just like crypto has a place. Everyone should have a diversified portfolio with crypto, with stocks, with commodities, and everyone can make their own decisions. But one last.
Oh, we just lost you a sec. Come back to me, Ali. We lost you for a second there. We just lost your audio. I think you changed screens and. Give it a second, folks. Ali will come back to us in a second. We've lost his audio for the moment. He's still there. He may have. I think he's out. I'm off. Yeah, we've lost connection there from Ali. But thank you ever so much, Ali, for calling in. That was some very, very good information, and we really appreciate that. All right, excellent stuff. As always, from one of our sponsors, Ali Tizro. There you go. Now, if you want to go and check out his server, his server Link is directly in the chat. If you are a member of mine and you use the Ali Tizro Tips server, you will find the lifetime discount. All my members will always get the best price. But if you prefer not to be a member of mine and you'd rather just go and pay full price to Ali, you can. He prefers that. He makes more money. He doesn't like my members. I'm just joking, of course. So there you go. So anyway, there you go. Thank you, Ali, for great information as always. Let me go back now. I need to wrap up today's show. I've got some videos to make, and we've got to get off. And first of all, though, we've got to do Day Trader of the Day. Let's bring everybody up to date right now. We will do a cash prize giveaway if we get 100 likes. In fact, we are up to now, let me have a little look. We're up to 43 likes. If we get 100 likes during the show, we will give away a cash prize. So let's put a 1 minute on the clock. I'll run a quick commercial break. And when I come back, let's see if we can get to 50 likes during the show. And then we'll be halfway there. And we'll do Day Trader of the Day. All right? So let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Is the music channel sorted, Martin? We are now at 3,800. 200 watch hours to go. 2 days to go. 3,800, 200 hours to go within the next 2 days. That's why I'm here today. I think we're going to do it as long as everyone continues what they're doing with. Otherwise, we won't. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, if you're a YouTube sponsor, you can sponsor this space here. We have a reach of over 500,000 people across all my platforms. Thank you very much, everyone, for being here today. It's now time for Day Trader of the Day. So let's have a little look. Let's see if we can get, first of all, how many are through the stream. Let's have a quick look. We've had 170 people come through so far this morning. Look at that, 195 come through our channel, which is great. Our target is 200, looking pretty good. How many subscribers did we get? 6,168. Whoa, gone up 6,172. I'm sure our wonderful guest earlier has unsubscribed, and good luck to him. We wish him the very, very best in his crypto journey. I hope he makes lots of money. But let's see if we can get now to 50 likes. You ready? Put a 1 minute on the clock, and let's see if we can get to 150 likes during this next minute. Here you go. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like button. Let's do it. Here we go. 44 likes. Let's get to 50 likes in 1 minute. We've got 40 seconds to go. If we can get to 100 likes, we give away a cash prize live on the show. 44 likes. We've got 34 watching. Maybe we've topped out. Maybe we've topped out at 44 likes. I think we probably have. But that's pretty good, though. God, I tell you what, I'm absolutely freezing. It's freezing in the studio today. Really, really cold. We've got a lot of cold weather in at the moment. 45. We made another one. Very, very nice indeed. Didn't quite get to 50, but that's pretty good. Begging for likes. Yeah, I'm begging for likes, Kevin, so I can give away some money. Yeah, you won't want to win the free money. I don't want free money. He's begging for likes. Yeah, just time him out. Don't ban him. He's not done anything. He's not done anything offensive. He's just being a bit of a clown. He's fine. We like clowns on the show. They watch all the ads, earn me lots of money. So it's all good. Anyway. Right. Yeah, I'm also begging for members, which is why I have the highest membership rate of any live viewers ratio to members on any other channel on YouTube. Yep, you're absolutely right, Kevin. I'm begging to give money away. I've given over $1 million away on my music channel to charities. Won't be giving any money to you, of course, because you don't want it. You don't want any free money. All right. So let's. We're down at the moment 1.2. J&J, come on, give me a little surprise. J&J, I just bought this morning. It's trying to come back up again. I've got an average now of 168. I bought this morning another 3 shares. Come on, just so everyone can see it pop up. Wouldn't it be nice? Solid. People think he's sitting on a chair, but he's really on his knees with his beg. Exactly. I'm sitting here. Beg, please like me. Please like me. Shad. Anyway, did anybody sort out their Discord this morning for the what do you call it? What's it called? What's the name of it? For the Xbox thing. For the, you get your free, what do you call it? Your free boost or whatever it's called. Anyway, 498. Is there anybody that needs upgrading for free? I'm just going now into the welcome all. Is there anybody here that has not been upgraded yet for their free membership on Discord? I'm waiting to upgrade anybody, but it's now time to go. Now, we've got free Nitro. That was it. Thank you ever so much. Look, go on, J&J. What did I miss? I wasn't here for 20 minutes. Azay, you missed a lot. Me. Right, Turkey. So, Turkey, you're not a YouTube member. Turkey, you're not a YouTube member, so I can't upgrade you. You can go to Discord. Here is the Discord, which is free. But if you want to call into the show and you want all the exclusive channels, you want Ali Tizro's Discord channel, so you want the discount to get a lifetime discount for Ali's service and all the other benefits, you need to be a YouTube member. There's the invitation to join. But anyway, J&J is coming up now. It's nice. Go on. Let's see it go all the way back up again. Tesla, down today. All the fanboys are upset with me. You said it was going to go down. Yeah, I did. Still think it's going to go down lower. But anyway, Lucid is now down 6% today. We had 140%, 150% pump. I did 140%, so I'm happy with that. Do you think Space will go lower than 4 before they launch? I missed the $3 buy. Thanks. We'll give it a try. You're very welcome, Turkey. Do I think Virgin Galactic will go lower? I honestly don't know. It's why I've sold, but I have sold from 2,000 to 200. I've taken my profits. I'm holding this position. I'm up 35%. I know it's going to be a $100 stock, not because it's worth $100, because people will pump it to $100. It went to 70 on a test flight, so it's bound to go to 100 when Elon Musk flies with Virgin Galactic. No question about it. Tesla buyers will buy it. Everybody will buy it. Not because it's worth it, because they just will pay that price for it. So I'm holding a position. I will buy more when it goes lower. I'm not going to buy it on the way up. I don't need to, because if it does go to $100, I've got a very, very nice profit in that. I don't need to own any more to reach my targets. I don't need to risk any more money. It's not, I just simply don't need to. All right, I'm going to get off. Thank you ever so much for being here. I think we've covered everything. I've got 2 days to go to get to the 4,000 watch hours. We're now at 3,800. So we're nearly there, 200 to go. Here's the music channel. If you've not yet done it, it's on the homepage of the YouTube channel here. And you can see that there. Check out the video I did with Sir Paul McCartney. Check out when I was with the Ukraine army. I hope you'll all enjoy that. But I think we're done. Let's do day trader of the day. So let's do that right now. Oh, 48 likes. 48 likes now. We're just 2 away from 50. If we get 100 likes, I'll give a cash prize away. Okay, you ready? Okay. Day trader of the day. Let's go over to my main position. As you can see, I'm down today 1.22. Overall, though, my overall position is 40,143. I bought J&J this morning for my long-term Roth. So let's go down 1.21%. Day trader of the day. Give everybody a minute on the clock, and let's see who wins today. All right. Let's put a minute on the clock. Oh, we just gained another 3 subscribers. I can't believe it. Look at that. We've just gone up from 72 to 75. We've had a massive day today. Really great. Everyone's subscribing. Not Kevin. He's going, I'm not subscribing to this rubbish. It's bloody rubbish. I don't want free money. I don't want free money. And you're an idiot, by the way. I love it. Right, let's put a minute on the clock. I love it. I love it. You ready? Okay, here we go. So I'm down 1.21. Down 1.75, up 0.99. Ryan Carlson goes into the lead. Oh, Crag overtakes him at 2.53. Max H is up 1.43. Looks like Crag is going to be the winner right now. Look at that for a great score. Congratulations, you could be the day trader of the day. Awesome stuff. 48 likes now. Awesome, awesome. 20 seconds to go. J&J trying to push up. 15 seconds to go. And Oze is up 0.13. Congratulations to you. The winner, though, is Crag up 2.53. So we're going to give it to Crag. Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and bring in the sound effects. There we go. Very, very nice indeed. Congratulations. Well done. Well done indeed. Great. That's a great result. Great result today. Absolutely fantastic. Now, of course, we've got some very, very exciting news coming up. We've got the closing bell this afternoon. Tomorrow morning, pre-market, we've got McDonald's. Getting ready for McDonald's. Should be a very, very interesting morning. And then, of course, the big day. Wednesday. Power and Beauty Photography. How are you this afternoon? Power and Beauty Photography. Did you message me? There's something you've done recently. Power and Beauty Photography. What was it you've just done? I've seen your name pop up somewhere. Have you messaged me? I can't think what it is. Something you've done recently. Why is that? Why is your name on my mind? There's something on my mind. I can't think what it is. I think you might have messaged me. Anyway, FOMC, Fed Jerome Powell speaking on Wednesday. That'll be a huge day. Always is. We get thousands of people through the stream. Normally, not every time, but most times we do. When you say Kevin, you make me laugh now. Hospital. Oh, is this Fugly Mofo? Isn't it? Hang on, is this Fugly Mofo? Hang on. I knew there was something. Hang on. Fugly Mofo. Yes, it was. Yes, did you see earlier? We had look, folks. Fugly Mofo's in the house. At the beginning of the show, we did a massive thing for you. Everybody was. This is Fugly Mofo. I knew there was something. I was thinking of Fugly, not Power and Beauty. Okay, folks, this is Fugly Mofo. I know we celebrated and sent our love this morning, but he's managed to call in to the show. He's been in a serious car accident. Things have got a lot worse. So as he's here now, because he may have missed the show this morning when we were celebrating you this morning, but he's here now. Would everybody please blow up? Let's go viral. Go viral now. I want everybody, copy and paste, make him smile. Make him smile. Get well, mate. I want everyone, you ready? Go. Copy and paste. I want the chat to go viral. He's in the chat right now, everybody. We did it this morning, but he may have been asleep in hospital. It's not good enough, quite frankly. I think he should have been in the whole day. I hopefully the nurses will be holding up the iPad or whatever it is so he can call in. Anyway, there we go. Everyone, blow it up. Right, let's put all the messages on the screen. Let's see who's doing it. So we've got, here we go. We've got Ed Nevius, prayers. We've got Oze, what hospital are you in? He wants to know. He wants to come and visit. Prado 1212 is now following. If you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime Gaming, you will get our free cash prize every first Friday of the month. Get well, mate, says Oze, Ed Nevius, Flutter Edits. Look at this, all around the world sending love into you. Kevin's not doing it. He's a miserable sod. He won't be sending any love in. I'm giving him a hard time, aren't I? You give me a hard time, I'll give you a hard time back. Lewis Martin, get well soon, bud. Stephen Lewandowski, brilliant. Ed Nevius, Flutter Edits. Raymond Khan, look at all these lovely messages. Stephen Lewandowski from Florida. Jose from Turkey. I love it. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Look at that. Hopefully that will make him smile. From Istanbul. There you go. There is... everyone's doing it now. There's something about Kevin. There is something about Kevin. Oh, man. Bloody funny. Look at all the messages. Mr. Chuck, get well, mate. There we go. There's another one just come in. Isn't that lovely? Well, hopefully that's made you smile. That's all we can really do, I think, here today. But anyway, I'm glad you came in right at the end of the show because we're just about to end. But let me close the broadcast lounge down. I'm so glad I mentioned that. I saw PB photography and I thought, I'm sure that's the guy. Sure that's the guy. Anyway, I'm closing the broadcast lounge down now. That's closed. And we're at 498 members now. We want 2 more members to our Discord server and we will be going public with our server. So very, very nice indeed. Just 2 to go. There's an invitation to join. Right. The S&P going down. Virgin Galactic going sideways. Virgin Orbit going down. Rivian. Tesla going sideways all day, down 2.6. Lucid. Apple. Amazon. McDonald's. We got the earnings in the morning. Remember I told you, down she goes. But Amazon is 34 times earnings. J&J is 24 times earnings. That's why I spent my money on J&J with a phenomenal 100% reliable dividend as well, 2.65. Very, very good. Very, very nice. And it's tried to push up now. IPO Lucas. IPO. I'm going to IPO my show. Thanks, guys. Love to you all. There you go. There you go. Fugly Mofo is feeling better. Get well soon from Shad. Lovely. Thank you ever so much, everyone, for doing that. All right, we're done, folks. We're done. We're out of here. Let me go back to the welcome all. Was anybody else I need to upgrade? I don't think so. I think everyone's been done. King Kong, thank you. I'm happy to be here over on Discord. We look forward to welcome you as a member so we can upgrade your account. But that's it from me. 200 hours to go on the YouTube channel, on the Martyn Lucas Music channel. I am absolutely freezing in the studio. We are expecting really, 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 really cold weather over the last couple of days. Twitch, you just followed me at my Discord. I didn't see you come in. Predo, let me go over to Twitch. Right, here you are on Twitch. Let me share with you on Twitch. As you're now following me, Predo1212. It's completely free using Amazon Prime Gaming. If you subscribe to me using Amazon Prime Gaming, every first Friday of the month, we give away a cash prize to our subscribers. There are 12 subscribers, you see at the top. You have to renew it every month. Some of you, 2 of you have let it lapse. You have to manually do it every month. It won't do it by itself. You've got to do it yourself. And you can be in our free first Friday of the month. So this Friday coming will be our next cash giveaway. I basically give away the money I make on subscribers to you. Just as a thank you, I just give the money back to you. So there you go. I think we're done. And if you are a YouTube member, I can upgrade your account on Discord, and then you can call in and get all the benefits with Ali Tizro. That's it from me. So it just leaves me to say I'll see you all back in a bit. I'm very happy with my positions. Managed to get my J&J even cheaper. I've lowered my average now to 168 on my Roth. And in my brokerage account, it's 168 as well. So there we go. It's 3.86% on my main portfolio. On my brokerage, on my Roth, it is actually 46%. Solid. That's what you want for a lot. That's what you want in your Roth, right? You can forget it. You can go to sleep, not worry about it. Just let it sit there forever. Keep learning the average. That's exactly what you want. That's exactly what you want. All right. Okay, that's it from me. Time to get out of here. Let's roll the music, roll the credits. Someone say roll the credits. I'm going to get out of here. Okay, roll the credits. Take care, everyone. Have a blessed one. Take care to Kevin as well. Yeah, take care, Kevin. Hang on, is he still watching? Let's have a look. Kevin. Yep, he's still watching. Kevin Connolly is watching. He actually set up 2 accounts because he was getting ignored on one. There's his first one, and the other one is this one, Kevin Connolly. So when he tried to be offensive on one, he tried the other one. Anyway, we send our love to him as well. We hope he'll come round and be a member of the family. We love everybody here. We have fun. We give away money all the time. And apparently I beg for likes as well. Love it. Bye-bye, Kevin. See you later. See you later. Hey, he's watched loads of ads. I've made loads of money out of him watching the ads. Let's roll the credits. See you back in a bit. Here we go. Stars of the show. Did we get any stars of the show today? Yes, we got some new members today. Prado1212 and Lil Zoom 69. Subscribers Fedchi, German Gaming, Chaff and Crazy. Members German Gaming, Jorg, Aquando. So there we go. We got some new members, new subscribers. There we go. We're all good. Wonderful afternoon. He called me Baldy as well. I've got no hair. I wouldn't. Would you call me bold? I would. I mean, there's a bit of hair here. Look. I mean, there's a bit of hair here. I still think I've got a bit of hair. I wouldn't say I'm completely bald. Yeah, right. Okay. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Have a wonderful afternoon. We've got 200 hours to go on my music channel. Please do continue your support. I don't want to lose that. And there you go. Thank you ever so much for sharing your thoughts. I think your hair looks great. It's brilliant, my hair, isn't it? Yeah, it's a designer. All right, see you all back in a little bit. Have a wonderful afternoon. It's freezing. I'm going to go and get warmed up. We got some premieres coming out soon. Special members-only events as well. And just 2 more members on Discord and we go public. Exciting, right? Exciting. Thank you, Ali Tizro, for being on the show today. Great input. That's it from me. McDonald's is going down now, all the way down. Take care of yourselves and each other, especially you, Kevin. Thanks for being part of our fun today. Bye-bye.